ಕಮ್ ಮಂಡ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಏನದು ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್. ಹಾಂ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಹಾಂ ಇಲ್ದೇ ಕೊಡಿ. 4 o'clock settlements. Yes. Tender. I'll take it. I'll take it. A fresh matter ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ I'll take it. You're party in person. What's the problem? Why stoppage of proceedings? Not Friday. We'll take it on Monday, 30th. Sorry. Withdrawal. Which is that? When do you want now? Tomorrow. Or I'll call. You want to withdraw? Huh? Praise time only when matter is called. List continue. 230 ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ? 30B. Correct. Yes. Yes, sir. That's fairness. No problem. Raju, ನಿಮ್ಮ problem. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ. That is on the merit. You will see it later. We will dismiss it now. We'll reserve liberty to file appropriate proceedings. But this ground I will not accept. Yes. Anything else? We'll close it then. Even Master 102 contrary. Kodi 102 of CRPs. We'll consider it. There is a ground, there is a ground. Yes. No, you avail of any remedy available in the 30B, I will answer. That's all. So that 30B should not crop up again. Other grounds. Aitha Madi, list on list day after tomorrow in the fresh matters list. Yes. Continue. Barley, we'll see. Yes. On slipal barcode. 146, 140. List day after tomorrow in the fresh matters list along with serial number 146 and 148. Yes. Next. Yes, Prasad. Idu aa ground mele if I grant an interim order, there are at least 100 cases of this kind where FIR is registered after the directions of the apex court. Sorry, 200 is filed after the order of the apex court. ಏನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಈಗ? Yes, all right. ಆಯ್ತು, ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತಾಗ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So according to Lokayukta has no jurisdiction because it is beyond 50,000. Yes, Prasad. No, that is why there is, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಚೈನ್. Page 6. Yes, memole. ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? CBI ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? After the order of Supreme Court. Yes, Prasad, you have to look into this. I am. ನಾಳೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. List to, no, that I know. Yes, list to tomorrow. We will see list tomorrow. Produce it circular. Yes. Entry model ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Anyway, tomorrow in the fresh matters list. Yes. Entry model subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing. Next. ಇದು ಅರ್ಜನ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? 66 Ajay Prabhu. Mediation. Mat mediation failed. Learned counsel appearing for the petty respondent submits that the mediation has failed and the matter will have to be decided on its merit. List the matter on 16th October, on 21st October in the fresh matters list. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. Hibernation.
Lords, Lords, the petitioner is an employee of a company called as Walnut Minds.
Walnut.
Walnut Minds. Walnut Minds is a payment aggregator. Lords, what it does is, I have produced the escrow agreement. Lords, kindly have a look at page number 19, Lords. The first paragraph, that reflects what is the nature of business of Walnut Minds. Clause A. Lords, what happens? The bank provides the escrow facilities through an escrow agent. Lords, then I will enter into agreement with the merchant. Lords, merchant will be having pay-in and payout services which he would be rendering to his clients. Now, the merchant will be given login credentials on the basis of which he will be entitled to deposit the money and make multiple transactions in a single day, which is payouts essentially. Lords, it may be even 2 rupees, 5 rupees, like how Google Pay operates. There will be a refund of 2 rupees, 1 rupee. So this is the services which will be rendered by me. One of the merchants was operating an app which is available, my lords, where he was facilitating the making of investments and returns. That merchant has an agreement with me. My lords, I will not have any control over his operations.
Hmm.
He will be only given the login credentials where the money comes into my accounts. He will be enabled to make payouts.
Hmm.
Lords, why the reason why this facility is extended by the bank is because lords, there will be payments of 2 rupees, 5 rupees. Lords, we will do almost transactions like about 300 to 500 transactions per second. That is how the transactions works, because this is enabled through an interface which is called as API. Now, other than that, we have absolutely no other role to play in this. That is the nature of business which we are doing. Now, on the ground that the money which was received in that app has come to the escrow account which is maintained with Axis Bank
Hmm.
without making Walnut Minds as a accused.
Hmm.
The FIR, my lords, though was not against us. When a remand application is made against the petitioner, who is only an employee, annexure E page 50.
ಹ್ಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತ ದುಡ್ಡು?
Personal account ಏನು ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ. Lords, it doesn't come to our account at all. It's an escrow which will be maintained, my lords, through an escrow agent.
3,05,000 the complainant is said to have lost.
3 lakh, yes.
It went to which account?
Lords, 3,05,000 rupees will be credited into the merchant's account.
Who is the merchant here?
Lord, some app operator. He would have maintained an app.
You are the payment aggregator like PhonePe and other?
Yes.
Hmm. Yes, comment.
Lord, in this matter, secure the records, my lord.
You have secured?
I'll secure, my lord, the records in this matter.
Nadiddu?
Nali idಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಡಿ.
Very well,
I don't know
my
what
lords.
exactly they
Heard
want
the
of
learned senior
petitioner.
counsel appearing for the petitioner. The learned senior counsel would submit that the petitioners are employees of a payment aggregator by name Walnut
Minds Private Limited.
Walnut Minds, MINDS.
Yes.
Walnut Minds Private Limited. Oh, yes. The learned senior counsel would submit that it is only a payment facilitator and no amount would come to its account independently. The amount that is involved in the case at hand is 3,05,000, which is said to have gone into the account of the merchant to whom the complainant has transferred the amount. It has only passed through the petitioner. Therefore, he would submit there is no allegation that would touch upon the offenses under section 316 and 318, which is 406 and 420 of the earlier regime. 318 of the BNS, 406 and 420 of the earlier regime. If defreezing ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Defreezing. Lords, what they do,
Entire account ಯಾಕೆ freeze ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ
Lords,
ಇವ್ರದ್ದು?
Walnut Minds has paid money to me because I'm an employee. Lords, what these people have done, the inspectors done is, including the advocates to whom the payments has been made, about how many accounts? 160 accounts are frozen for 3,05,000 in each account.
Why each account 3,05,000
In
ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ?
each account, he says lien shall be booked as against
No,
each
no, no.
account.
What is the total amount that the complainant is said to have lost
3,05,000.
in each account?
No, 3,05,000
All.
is,
No, my lord.
Lords, his complaint is he has lost 3,05,000. Investigating officer has sent the notices to all the banks where the money has flown either from Walnut, including the lawyer saying that in each of the 150 accounts, 3,05,000 lien should be exercised.
The learned senior counsel would further submit that the investigating officer, which in an action which is on the face of it contrary to law, has directed freezing of the account of all the persons who have had transactions with Walnut Minds, including the advocates
Yes.
whose transaction or the monies have passed through the payment gateway. The learned HCGP to secure instructions and keep the investigating officer present at 2:30 PM on Friday.
Please, Lords. Great.
Yes. ಈಗ ಅವರೇ ಡಿಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಾಳೆ.
My lord, I'm appearing for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, the office has raised two objections with regard
File it
to
in the
documents, my
registry.
lord.
Yes,
My lord, 311 application is being preferred by the,
file it in the registry, sir.
yes, my lord.
311 application,
311
my lord.
application.
Rejected.
Please, my lord.
Yes, ma'am.
PW1 and PW6, he wants to recall.
What is the offense?
Offense 302 and 201, my lord. My lord,
ಎಷ್ಟನೇ application ಇದೆ?
second application.
What is that you are producing?
That is the entire order sheet and 311 application what is sought by the office, my lord.
Why you have not produced all that?
Yes, today I got it, my lord, certified copy.
Monday fresh matters. Yes.
Office, interim order,
Monday fresh.
interim
Yes.
order. Interim
ಅದು
order.
ಕೊಡಿ, ಕೊಡಿ. Give that. It will not go to the file otherwise. Put into the file. Yes. Monday fresh matters.
Interim order may be extended.
ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
It was granted on the last,
Last option.
ಕೊಡಿ. That was-
matter is set down for arguments and
Ah.
stay was granted.
As we'll close it on Monday.
Please, ma'am.
List on Monday in the fresh matters. Yes.
Interim order. may be extended.
Interim order. Yes. To continue, next.
That's for the petitioner. For Section 7, small a, my lords of PC Act.
1st October.
That's charge sheet has been filed.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. 1st October, next.
That's in the fresh matters.
BB Patil is there, first time,
First
BB
time.
Patil is directed to accept notice for the respondent, petitioner to serve set of papers upon counsel Shri BB Patil. List on 1st October.
That's, may I press for interim?
Press, no. Charge sheet ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ entry ಮಾಡು.
Let's, what has happened here is there is no case of acceptance here.
ಅದು ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. No demand, no acceptance ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವತ್ತೆ.
Please.
I will not accept your acceptance submission.
And I have also produced a document saying that it was towards the official charges, 12,000 rupees.
No problem.
That has also been annexed. my lords.
On 1st.
Please, please.
May I request for a day's accommodation in this?
Base
Marriage,
accommodation. ತಾಹಿರ್ ಏನಿದು? ಮದ್ವೆ?
ಮದುವೆ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿ,
Marriage in the
I'm
family.
awaiting instructions not from,
About marriage.
ಅಲ್ಲ, not, you know.
Release of his father, that's his.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow or Monday fresh matters ಬರಲಿ, by then, I think.
But ಅವತ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ.
Close ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಮತ್ತ ಅವತ್ತು ರೆಡಿ
I will, no, I will not seek, therefore, not I. I've told him I'll-
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಲ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಲ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ.
No, except quote all four, ನೋಡ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲೂ
ಅದು ಜಸ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್.
ಈ ಬೇರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೇಳ.
But review is listed on Friday, lordship, that date may be.
ನಾಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ,
It is-
27th ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Because that day several matters will be.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಸೆವೆರಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್ ಟೆಲ್.
Of course, for past 4 years there.
ಫ್ರೈಡೆಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Yes.
Kindly.
Yes.
Happy for the counsel for the petition, lords. Lords, the allegation, lords, is that certain lords fake accounts have been created in the name of
Yes,
lords, the
sir.
complainant. And lords, even according to the complaint, lords, it is that happened, lords, on 31st of July 2023.
Hmm.
And thereafter, lords, the FIR, lords, is registered very recently, lords, that is on
66 scene.
66 C, lords, no ingredient of lords, section 66 C, lords, is applicable.
Fake profile and put up photographs of whom?
Kindly see, lords, the section 66C.
No, ಯಾರ್ದು fake profile create ಮಾಡಿ? Instagram, Facebook.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ ಸ್ಮ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್.
Smule app.
Smule application.
Ah.
Lords, I am no way connected to lords, this platform at all. And now, lords, they issue notice to me and they say that, lords, I have to bring all electronic items, lords, which is in my home, lords, as it is, to the police authorities.
ಯಾಕೆ ರೀಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
My lord, notice is given, my lord, to appear before the investigation officer.
ಅವರು ರೂಟರ್, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್, ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್, ಮೊಬೈಲ್, ಇತರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಪರಿಕರಗಳನ್ನು ಯಥಾಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ
ಆಯ್ತು, ಮೈಕ್ರೋವೇವ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Yes, sir.
I'll
Get the
secure
paper. Why, what is the allegation?
Allegation is.
And
that,
what is the
my lord,
investigation conducted?
I'll place
ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ
my-
ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾ? ಯಾವತ್ತು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಕ್ರೈಮ್? ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Recently, my lord.
But the whole problem is with regard to the allegations. You have created fake profile and uploaded or sent lived messages.
lords, that, lords, the complaint itself, lords, is of 31st of July 2023. Now, lords, even there is no, lords, semblance of allegation, lords, against the.
You are the sole accused, sir.
No, lords. It was, lords, as against unknown persons. Kindly see. lords.
ಅನ್ನೋನೇ ಬರೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್.
Thereafter, lords.
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಇನ್?
Paper, my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಹೀಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ we have not secured?
Time it
Notice
is- This
ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
is for the first time it is.
List on Monday in the fresh matters list, the respondent to state to secure the papers of investigation and place it before the court. Heard counsel Shri Subramanya. Yes, next.
Meanwhile, lords, let them not precipitate, lords.
Ali, cooperate with the
lords-
investigation.
Lords, there is no difficulty with regard to that, lords.
Yes,
The,
yes.
We'll secure the papers Monday. afterwards.
ನೀವು ಮೈಕ್ರೋವೇವ್ ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ. ಏನ್
Well,
ಬೇಕಾದ್
my lord,
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
It is not
Yes.
mentioned in the notice, my lord.
The
Like that,
petitioner,
Annexure D ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು.
The petitioner shall cooperate with the investigation, and in the garb of investigation, no coercive steps shall be taken against the petitioner till the next date of hearing. List on Monday in the fresh matters list. Next.
In this matter, my lord, I appear for the petitioner. Connected matter, my lord, has already stayed, my lord.
That's what I know. Where is that?
Page 50. 50.
50.
50 is the interim order your lordship granted.
Chartered accountant, eh?
No, my lord, this is a case where termination of an employee, after 3 months, he files a complaint.
Ah.
After the employee is terminated, he files a complaint saying
Yes.
he was harassed.
Annexure C, same tag, same order.
I'm grateful.
Heard, you learned senior counsel. Yan Chinnam.
Grateful.
You're in darkness.
I don't know, something is wrong with this system, Lord. The system is making me look a little.
Or you're in the area of darkness. Yes. Additional grounds. 2 weeks to do the needful. Next.
For the petitioner.
2 weeks to do the needful.
Needful done, my lord.
25, kindly
Done it.
pass over the matter.
Pass over. No.
Senior is on his legs. He's in court hall.
What is the problem? Urgency, you know, orders are there.
He's in court hall.
What's the matter about that? Did I hear this matter? Yaud madam?
Yes, ma'am. Now, please.
Kodi. Four 98.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
You're engaged with senior, not me, sir.
That's all right. Just list immediately after vacation.
My lord,
Kindly.
kindly pass over.
Interim order idea. Interim order idea.
Yes.
List after vacation. Yes, next. Interim order subsisting will continue till the next date of hearing.
Seal number 76.
Yes, my.
Appearing for the petitioner, my lord. Needful done, my lord.
13.
13, my lord. It's interim order granted.
Learned counsel Mahesh submits that needful has been done, office to verify. List after vacation, interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date.
Please, my
Yes, next.
My lord, 7 AM, my lord, last may have it on
Sufficiency, first October.
My lord,
Alla, iದೇನ್ notice ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
to the complainant, it has been
ಹಾಗೆ
served on the
learned-
mother.
The report indicates the service of the notice has been served upon mother of second respondent. Therefore, the second respondent be shown in the cause list as served. Yes,
Lord, interim
list
order
on
has been-
first.
interim order has to be
yeah.
actioned.
Interim order, if any subsisting, shall continue till the next date of hearing. Sufficiency of service.
Starting with tagged along with another matter listed serial number 116.
Both after vacation. The tag with 116 list after vacation, interim order subsisting, interim order idea. List after vacation. Andre date kodi. Interim order illa andre 25th October. Yes. Sufficiency. Who has received, madam? Some person, Amit Bhatt, son, madam, adu wife badlu son hakbidi idralli. Show as list. Received, next.
For the petitioner, had been served with a copy of the objections and application to vacate.
Has been served, without serving, it can't be filed.
It's the office objection.
Correct. Where is the copy?
Copy is. I have
Office
served.
objection is there. What is that?
That is fair because after serving only,
Servagide, madam.
it can't be filed without serving the other side petitioner.
Copy not served. Will grant you 1 week's time. Serve the copy.
And
List
check-
the matter,
But I have filed a stay vacating application.
list the matter
Objection also.
immediately after vacation. Why, ಏನಿದೆ? Vacating stay ಯಾಕೆ?
Vacating a stay because it is a clear case of they have committed the offense mentioned in the FIR. All the accused were used to beat him mentally and physically torturing, then filed the legal notice, giving triple talaq also, with connivance of with everybody. That's why 8th August 2023 legal notice was sent to the wife.
498.
498, 3-4 Dori provision and section 4 also, women, protection of women marriage rights.
In-laws and
Triple
other
talaq,
legalities.
which is declared unconstitutional.
What, one ನಿಮಿಷ. Sister-in-laws and other in-laws.
sister-in-laws and the husband
Father.
of the sister-in-law and the father.
And
Husband is
father.
not a party here. There are vague allegations. The reference is
They have
and
given-
All right, wait, sir.
They have given triple talaq also. That legal notice he has not annexed with the petition. And that's why
What
he
is-
tolerated everything.
No, 1 minute. Talak is not with these people. What are these people going to do? Sister-in-law and brother-in-law.
All are involved in all this.
Involved for what?
Involved in beating, coming off and on, coming to there, demanding money.
Coming off and on or beating?
In the birth, after birth of child also,
Ah.
they are demanding money for no, this will celebrate.
Who demanded money? Who demanded money?
They were, all were demanding.
Who? All.
The sister-in-law, father,
Ah.
then the husband.
They
That
are
is
not,
the-
husband, you take care of him, no problem. Husband and mother-in-law,
Father is there also.
father is here,
father is.
Father is.
father-in-law.
Father-in-law is here.
Ah.
Sister-in-laws are here. Husband of the sister-in-law is also an accused here.
They all are
Clearly,
connected.
because his name is figured out in the complaint, my lord, FIR is registered against everybody, and the reference is they at all the places in the complaint.
Hmm.
Specific governments as against each of them is not there, my lord, other than except 1 or 2 places.
Para-
it says that.
Last part of the complaint. It is
Ah.
in detail, mentioned in detail in the complaint filed by the R2 wife.
Ah.
They are connived with, and ultimately they, when they started living separately also, they are starting
Over phone.
phone call. And then ultimately it resulted in the triple talaq, giving neat notice to, I am giving triple talaq to, which is unconstitutional offense.
Where have they have given talak? Husband has given.
Husband has
Then
given
you
no
take
doubt,
care of the
but
husband.
everybody is connived with his father,
How can everybody give talak?
where they are the instrumental.
Instrumental.
So trial should start, they should face, they have got the bail. They should face the trial.
Why? Just because you have registered a crime, they should face the trial, is it?
Ultimately.
You will go on registering crimes against everybody, all and sundry without rhyme or reason.
No, no.
So they should face trial.
On her part,
This
it is
court
not.
will not
She
permit all that
tolerated
stuff.
everything. Ultimately, when he gave the notice for triple talaq, then only she filed this complaint,
No
narrating
problems.
everything.
No problem. That is against the husbands.
Husband, father,
Matte father. Yes. Now, relationship ಹೇಳಿ.
Petitioner number 1 is the sister-in-law.
Hmm.
Second petitioner is the husband of the first petitioner. Third petitioner is the father-in-law. Fourth petitioner is also a sister-in-law.
Post petitioner?
Sister-in-law. 2 sisters,
Ah.
the husband.
Four.
Father of the husband.
All right.
that
There is
page,
a sister-in-law, on the husband, on father.
page 24, my lord, page 24 of my complaint.
Hmm.
498, how it attracts. What happened?
How it attracts?
One Mudassira Banu, Zohra, Parol, Nadeem Sheikh, along with their husband, they used to join hands with my husband and mother-in-law to harass my assault, beat me physically and abuse me with foul language. Usually they used to create of a situation in the night around 2 and so 3 p.m. at law. And ultimately result in triple talaq, which itself is the offense, which he can't
Correct.
do.
Who has given that, sir? Husband.
But with great respect, this is the instigation of other accused only.
Oh,
It resulted
instigation will not amount to
on
an
hand,
offense.
they filed section 9 petition. They started living together. Now it has resulted in a triple talaq.
It's the background.
Which
my lord.
it can't be do.
Husband initiated a suit for restitution of
And
conjugal rights that got concluded. Thereafter, he gave a notice for asking for talaq. Finally, she got aggrieved by that, and all the family members.
No,
got
no, no, no.
united.
It is unconstitutional. It can't be given.
Husband is not before this court. Let the investigation continue as against him. Against them, I am sorry for.
The stay should be vacated. They should.
And what is this? He has taken Empire Armani watch, one bracelet.
For that, I have to
monetary
read all the
commitment.
complaints.
All
my lord.
husbands, sir. Why will they take?
Everything upon them, everybody. It is in detail, it complained in type person 4, it starts from 23 to it goes up to 28. And then last, as they have mishandled my son also, page 27, to what extent they can go, as they have mishandled son enormous number of times by handing him toughly by applying so and so.
That is the father's responsibility.
And then dated 8th August, I have received a post on my name, which was received by my father. In that, I saw a legal notice sent from Muhammad Nasir advocate. In that, my husband has sent triple talaq, which it can't be done. It is unconstitutional. He cannot give.
Against the husband, sir. Have they given talak here? No, no. It's only the husband.
All I can say that. see, the
All you can
conspiracy
say, you have said. All I can say, I will say.
Detailed in the complaint.
Yes.
Reliance on this. End of
The petitioners, ಅವ್ರು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ time ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. Yes.
Yes, my lord.
He asked for time. You should have kept quiet. Now I am not going to grant. The petitioners are before this court calling in question proceedings in crime number 166 of 2023 registered for offense punishable under section 498A and 4 of the Muslim Women within bracket Protection of Rights on Marriage Act 2019 and 3 and 4 of the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961. Heard so and so. Before embarking upon the consideration of the issue on its merit, I deem it appropriate to notice the relationship between the parties to the list. The second respondent is the complainant, wife of the accused number 1, who is not before the court. The first petitioner is Sil. The second petitioner is husband of Sil. The third petitioner is Phil. Fourth is again Sil. Therefore, the parties to the list are sister-in-law, sisters-in-law, one of the sister-in-law's husband and the father-in-law. They are knocking at the doors of this court on the score that the wife, second respondent, has registered a complaint for the aforequoted offences without there being any role of these petitioners, much less overt acts performed by them that would incur the ingredients of section 498A or any other provision of law. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner would take this court to the complaint to demonstrate that all the allegations are against the husband. Vague allegations are made against all these petitioners contending that they used
have
to.
been made against everybody, my lord. It is
One minute.
in the clear terms.
His contention, sir, so and so, that the vague allegations are made against the petitioners, the father-in-law or the sisters-in-law. The sisters-in-law do not live with the couple or have entered into any squabble with them or demanded any dowry, as the case would be, is the submission of the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Per contra, the learned counsel for the respondent would take this court through the very complaint seeking to demonstrate that the husband has violated the law by saying talak, triple talak, and has also tortured the wife on demand of dowry. And therefore, the offences are met against the accused, even against the present petitioners, even on the score that they have instigated the husband to demand dowry or leave the wife, as the case would be. I have given my anxious consideration to the submissions made by the sons. The afore narrated facts are not in dispute. What has triggered the registration of the crime is now triggered by the complaint so registered by the second respondent wife. In that light, I deem it appropriate to notice the complaint. The complaint reads as follows. Though the complaint runs into about 4 pages, there is nothing that would touch upon the ingredients of the offense against the father-in-law, the sisters-in-law, or the husband of the sister-in-law. It is an admitted fact that sisters-in-law or the husband of one of the sister-in-law did not live with the couple, and the allegation in the complaint is that they used to frequently visit and instigate the husband to demand dowry and mete out such torture on demand of dowry. This, in the considered view of the court, would not be circumstance enough for permitting further investigation even against these petitioners. The petitioners, even in the complaint does not lay any foundation against these petitioners to become the ingredients of the offense as alleged. The entire offense is against the husband, accused number 1, who is not before the court. Further proceedings, further investigation, if permitted to continue against these petitioners, it would run foul of the judgment of the apex court in the case of Kashkan Kaushar versus State of Bihar, 2022 SSC Online, SC page 162. Court so in the light of the fact that nothing is found against these petitioners that would that would turn on the ingredients of the offense and the judgment of the apex court quoted supra, I deem it appropriate to obliterate investigation against these petitioners and against these, making it clear that the observations made in the course of the order would not come in the way of the investigation or trial pending against any other accused in the crime. Yes.
Father-in-law, against father-in-law should not request, my lord.
Any the father-in-law.
Father,
You show me one sentence.
page 27 of the complaint,
Yes, sir.
as they have, I was reading, as they have
1 minute.
listened,
1 minute.
then these consequences were repeatedly happening. That last incident dated 9th
minute, sir.
July.
I
After
told my
speak-
sister-in-law and do next time, but she complained to my husband and he has beaten me. And all these dates happening, I write to my corner. The consequence of repeatedly, Ella husband mele.
had
Father-in-law.
brother-in-law also, Mudasira and brother-in-law, the husband of Mudasira. In phone came towards me.
Mudassir Nazir is an advocate.
No, Mudasira is the petitioner number 1.
Notice sent, all right.
Mudasira is the petition number 1.
All right.
That is the case, my lord, throughout the, since the beginning of marriage. Before marriage also demanded everything. In the meantime.
For marriage demand. Ella husband, sir. Yes, next.
So against the husband, it should be continued.
Husband is not here.
That
I made it clear. Yes. You take care of the husband.
problem.
I am for petition. I am for the respondent number 2. Before they proceed, my lords, in the trial court, they have reported the death of respondent number 1, that is accused number 2, in 2021. And in 2023, they filed the case against respondent number 1, that is a deceased person. And even there is a police report stating that.
Person.
Yes, deceased person.
Deceased person.
Yes. There is a police report.
Yavaga sattiradu?
2021. 10/9/2021, the advocate for complainant produces copy of.
We'll take it after vacation. List the matter immediately after vacation. Next. Sufficiency of notice.
Served upon for the Millards.
Huh?
Served upon the grandfather Millards, and even this court on
Madam,
directed into
Wife
the
badu grandfather haki. Show as served at. Wife badlu. Ade sufficiency of service. Wife badu grandfather is.
here. So
After vacation, yes.
Millards, the matter is listed on 510 Millards.
Then what's the offense?
That's so 376 and
376.
please, it's against the brother-in-law of the husband and husband Millards.
Pokso, sir.
Even Pokso is also Millards, one sentence Millards with regard to after marriage Millards. She has gone out of the house and she's in a relationship with one of her boyfriend, and she got a child also without
Just immediately after vacation. Yes, next.
one day, may I kindly
20,
14,
23rd October. Badwa, October il badwa?
14 or 15.
14th of October. All right, 14th of October. List on 14th October.
This warrant is operating. That's why he is in, that husband is in Qatar. He has to come and appear before the court.
Don't worry. Yes. Alle nim warrant execute madala. List on 14th. Who will come to Doha and execute your warrants? Yes.
Brother-in-law is here because it was because there is a complaint by the
Let's
brother-in-law.
see. Yes, yes.
That's the office of.
Obvious objection. What?
It's for production of the entire order sheet. not for the-
Objections overruled. List on Monday in the fresh matters list. Stay there.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಗೆ?
Yes, next. An office objection.
Order sheet crime stage ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Monday. Overruled Monday.
Apologies,
Huh?
83, my lords, that that service of summons may be held sufficient. Grandfather,
ಯಾವುದು?
83, my lords.
Grandfather ಹಾಕಾಯ್ತು.
Great.
Shown as served. Grandfather.
Issuance of fake certificate.
Same.
Monday.
Monday. 88.
Proclamation order is issued against an advocate and a present judge and the secretary of.
And against advocate, why?
Lord, this is an incident which happened in 2011. 2016, they filed a charge sheet. And
ಇದ ಕಾವೇರಿದ ಕಾವೇರಿ ಗಲಾಟಿದ
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ there was one case which was
Yes.
de facto complaint is the police.
One additional SP, sorry, HCGP, two emergent notice, warrant or proclamation of any kind hanging on the head of you, Ravi Mela.
Please.
Why?
ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ police inspector, he was representing one of the clients. And the police inspector ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ client ಗೆ, I mean, the accused ಗೆ ill treat ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then he has told the client that submit ಮಾಡಿ court ಮುಂದೆ ಅಂತ. Because of that vengeance.
2011 matter le.
And the charge sheet has been filed and ಇದು ಯಾವುದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. And proclamation order is also been issued, my lord.
Yes. Learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the respondent. There shall be an interim order of stay. ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದೀರಾ? So and so. Interim orders, proclamation the proceedings.
Proceedings.
There shall be interim order of stay for the proceedings before the concerned court, quay the petitioner until the next date. Next.
Identical matters came up on 17th.
I have overruled maintainability. We'll post it on, ಅದೇ land grant ಅಲ್ವಾ? I've granted stay also.
Yes, sir.
ಕೊಡಿ.
The division bench of this honorable court.
Stay ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಆಫೀಸ್ ಏನೋ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Division bench order ಕೊಟ್ರುವೆ ಅದನ್ನ ignore ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Can't help. Yes, tag this petition along with so office objections where maintainability stands overruled. My name, your name, yes. The of stands overruled. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in identical cases, this court has granted an interim order which interim order. The said interim order reads as follows: tag this petition. There shall be an interim order of stay of the kind that is granted in the companion petition. Yes, both these petitions.
One thing, in the second petition, application file ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, but ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ received copy ಇಲ್ಲ.
We'll see. Land grant ಕೊಡ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
Same.
Yes, next. Letter of extension.
My lord, and for the petitioner in this, my lord, this matter has been closed, my lord.
Closed.
ಹೌದು ಇದು mediation settlement ಆಗಿ close ಆಗಿದೆ actually.
This court on 6 June 2022 had disposed the petition with a direction for conclusion of the proceedings. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ?
My lord, it has been
Conclusion of the proceedings. It transpires that during the subsistence of the proceedings before the court, the parties to the list have settled the matter amongst themselves. In that light, there is no warrant of any extension of the period, extension of the order directing disposal of the petition dated 12/8/2024. Yes, ordered according. Next.
much obligement.
I pay for the petitioner. Petition number 1 is no more, my lord. I filed it along with etc.
Appear for respondent number 3, my lord. And the stay was granted in the on 26/9/2022.
ಏನ್ matter ಏನು?
The
406, 420.
20, my lord. And this honorable court has already dismissed the
Good.
petition filed by the accused number 1, my lord.
Actually, all the allegations are against accused number 1.
And these two petitioners are
Yes, sir.
Yes. Accused number 1 and the complainant had several transactions between them. Kindly see the complaint at page number 52.
You are accused number 5 and 6. Sir.
5.
What is your role?
What transparency? I executed an agreement of sale in favor of both accused number 1 and the respondent number 2. So far as the property which was under litigation, I disclosed that there was a litigation in respect of the said property. And I executed an agreement of sale wherein the time period was fixed for 2 years or 30 days from clearance of such litigation. Now subsequently what
Who is accused number 1?
accused number 1 is
Satish Arsh.
one Mr. Arun Kumar. He
Arun Kumar is the
along with-
complainant, my lord.
The allegation in the complaint is this, my lord. The complainant says that accused number 1 induced him to part with certain amount of money towards investment towards the real estate in Bangalore. So subsequently, the only FIR was registered only insofar as accused number 1 is concerned. After which, there was a transaction executed between accused number 1 and the respondent number 2, along with accused number 5 and 6 were the petitioners before the honorable court. Petitioners herein were owners of certain portion of land and they executed an agreement of sale. Kindly see the agreement of sale at page number.
We'll see list on Friday in the fresh matters list.
Entry model.
Entry matter subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing. Next.
Death of the petitioner.
93.
Petition number 1.
Amal, avate maad.
Madam.
93.
Madam.
The petitioner is in 93, my lord.
The office objection is more to do with the service of IA, my lords, to respond number 2. It has been served on 13/9.
List after vacation. Office objections be complied with. Interim order subsisting will continue to the next date of hearing.
The order says that the charge sheet is filed on 5/5/24. Charge sheet was taken on 5/12. Filed on.
We'll hear it after vacation. Yes.
That might be changed, my lord, because.
We'll hear it. We'll do it after vacations. Yes, next.
Yes.
2 weeks to do the needful. Interim order idea.
R2 ಗೆ respondent.
Interim order idea.
Notice by hand goes.
FPF to R2 second time. Mediation. Respondent.
Settle ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್, matter settle ಆಗಿದೆ.
Settle ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ settle ಆಗಿರೋದು?
Report ಆಗಿದೆ, mediation report ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Page.
Page number 40.
Huh?
40. Mediation settlement report 42.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೋಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅವರು? The petitioner is the husband. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ, ತಂಗಿ,
Husband and other members of the family. The husband and the wife, the complainant, have settled the dispute before the family court in MC 4228 of 2020. Despite this, the wife is now said to be displaying non-cooperation for closure of the proceedings. The settlement arrived at between the parties also includes quashment of the cooperation for quashment of the proceedings in CC 5490 of 2023 hyphen the impugned proceedings. In the light of the wife not cooperating with the proceedings, despite and on the settlement arrived at between the parties, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings in CC so and so till the disposal of the petition. Yes, next.
Lord, in this, Lord, I had sought for, Lord, defreezing of the account, but which on the last occasion, Lord,
PF.
Lord, I have taken notice. There was no order, my lord, for issuing notice. But still, my lord, I have taken notice. But the prayer that was for defreezing, my lord, which your lordship has already granted on the.
I've granted it.
It is already granted.
Then what
I was
remains?
under the impression that, my lord, it was disposed.
The petitioner is before this is the Uruguay. The petitioner was before this court calling in question proceedings in calling in question, seeking the following prayer. This court on hearing the parties had passed the 388 cases in Irlilala.
No, my lord.
We saw that and disposed it. This court on so and so, where is the detailed order I passed? On 20th August 2024, after verifying, after hearing the additional state public prosecutor, passed an order directing defreezement of, directing marking of a lien of 2,63,884 and permitting operation of the account in operation of the account as it stood operating prior to the intimation of freezement. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that this would suffice for the present. Therefore, recording the order of marking of lien as observed on in the order dated 20th August 2024 Supra, I deem it appropriate to dispose the petition ordered accordingly. Yes. Post immediately after service of notice. Interim order unta? Post immediately after service of notice upon the second respondent. Next.
Kind.
Lords will recall to my lord's memory, my lords, FIR was filed. Complaint was filed, my lords, I would seek relief of bail. Then thereafter, my lords, they would go to another police station and get an
Stay
FIR.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ?
My lords, thereafter, my
2 to
lords,
4 stay is there.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಾಕಿದಾರಾ?
ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ. Lords, they have entered into a settlement.
So before the third FIR, you have entered into a settlement. Good.
A settlement has been wrong. My instructions were, my lords, the second respondent would appear before the honorable court and submit the settlement.
Your instructions may be wrong. Yes, less the matter immediately after vacation, interim order granted earlier stands extended to the next date of hearing. Yes, next. Along with counsel submission, in ಹೊಸ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮತ್ತೆ?
Sir, this is a case where I gave a complaint to the SHO, sir.
Ah.
And my lord, they would not register a cognizable offense and they register an FIR.
You want a cognizable offense only to be registered. Ah.
It's a cognizable offense which is made out in my complaint, which is annexure C in this petition.
ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು ನೀವು?
My lord, this is the first time I'm trying to register a crime.
ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದ?
ನನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಈ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡು.
ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯವರ?
ಹೌದು, ಇದು ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯವರೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು my lord. Anyway, set aside the other things. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
Set aside the other things, all right.
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಕಥೆ. I'm not trying to impress that onto this. So what I'm trying to do here is I gave a complaint because the neighbor pushed me and did not allow me to participate in.
Pushed you?
Yes, because they were a gang of people, not one person. Though I am maybe bit stout, it doesn't mean to say I'm.
No,
not
sir,
able
I
to-
did not say anything.
No, I'm telling you.
Yes, yes.
I'm telling you so much. So it may appear that I may not be pushed, but however, when the people want to do it, they will do a crime. But when I go and try to give a complaint to the SHO, he doesn't want to register a complaint. Immediately.
Where is the complaint?
Complaint is annexure C. Annexure C is my handwritten complaint. I immediately go within, after the merger was completed of the ADTP, I gave a complaint. He wouldn't even bother to look at it. Then I went and met the DCP.
ಆಮೇಲೆ?
ಆಮೇಲೆ 8 ಗಂಟೆ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಒಂದು NCR ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಅನ್ನೆಕ್ಷರ್
NCR ಕೊಟ್ರು.
NCR ಕೊಟ್ರು.
All right.
ಏನು ಕಾಗ್ನಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
Correct. ಏನು offense ನೀವು? What is the
Offense
complaint?
ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ರಾಂಗ್ಫುಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ರೈಂಟ್. ನಾನು ಮಹಾಜರ್ನ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಹಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು.
ಏನ್ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ?
ADTP, ಈ BBMP ಕೇಸ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ my lord. There is a case between me and my neighbor. Neighbor has built a construction which is illegal from 2020. We have impugned this in many writs in the BBMP court here itself. And there was a statutory appeal pending in the Chief Commissioner's office. That got over on the 6th of July this year. Telling that to go and do a remerger and follow the exact procedure what is there in 248(1)(213) of BBMP Act. So on that light, the ADTP's office sends the AETP Mr. Chandrasekhar on the date of the incident. That is 8th of August, 2024, Thursday. Then when the ADTP comes, he called me up and told, see, I am here because you are the respondent in the appeal 60. Please come and attend the Mahajar, because he had not done it. The earlier Mahajar was not correct. That's why we had impugned this all in the respondent. Then what happened was, this accused doesn't want me to be in the Mahajar. I'm standing on the footpath in front of his gate. I'm not trying to enter his property, nor do any trespass or anything. I'm standing on in front of the footpath and trying to tell the ADTP where the illegalities have taken place in the impugned building. At that point of time, aggrieved by my presence, he pushes me and uses filthy language and beats me with his bare hands, along with the other two accused here, what I have named, and pushes me to my house, which is next door. This is the complaint.
ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋದ್ರಾ?
No, I was standing in front of my house after that. Then what I did was, because I don't want
wrongful restraint ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ನೀವು ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ my lord, ಅವ್ರು ದಬ್ಬಿದ್ರು ನನ್ನನ್ನು. ನಾನು ನಿಂತ್ಕೋಬಾರದು ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ, ನೀವು ADTP ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬಾರದು ಅಂತ. That is my contention.
How will that amount to wrongful restraint?
Because I am rightfully standing there, looking at the Mahajar on the.
Because you are rightfully standing and somebody pushes you, it may amount to assault. Wrongful restraint ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
My lord, I was allowed to go to the Mahajar.
You are entering into somebody's property.
No, my lord, I am not entering.
Right. You were standing outside.
Yes.
You went back to your house.
No, it's a public place. I have the right to stand on the public place and view the Mahajar.
You view the Mahajar or whatever it is. 341 ಬರಲ್ಲ. 340 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು offense ಏನು?
ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಹೊಡೆದಿರೋದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನ್
ಅದ್-
ಕಾಗ್ನಿಸಿಬಲ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ನೌ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಡ್, ಐ ವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 173 application in BNSS, that is amount to 156 of 3. There is some slight changes what has happened in the BNSS. What is they did was they tried to do a preliminary inquiry. That is on the 13th, the police comes and does a mahajan. At that point of time, they conclude that the incident itself, whatever I have given in the complaint, is false. And they close the 173 application. So no non-cognizable case, non-cognizable.
ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತು.
ನಾನು
ಎಲ್ಲ
ಕೇಸೇ
ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
ನಡೆದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೈಲಾಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಾಜರ್ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ತಳ್ಳೋದು ರಾಂಗ್ಫುಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ರೈಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Let's see. Learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the respondent.
My main contention is now they are telling that the case itself is wrong, what I have given there. In fact, I called the Vaisala police also, and the police does not want to accept my evidences, what I show from the CCTV and other things. This is my main contention. So the question here, what the office has raised is whether we need to implement the proposed cues, which I have not done right now. I will add them in the
Yes.
court itself. If
List, we'll let it come. Learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the respondent. List, ಯಾವತ್ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
any date.
Any day. Yes.
I'm not in a hurry on this because the crime has taken place on the 8th of August.
List on 25th October. Yes.
October.
Yes. Non-compliance.
My lords, it's the charge sheet. The head of the charge sheet has been produced, my lords. And a case, my lords, where a 76-year-old senior citizen, he alleges, my lords, a gift deed which is purported to be have been
All
given
right,
to his
we'll
daughter.
take it on Monday. Monday in the fresh matters list. Office objections overruled. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಏನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆ?
ಈಗ FIR ಅಲ್ಲಿ we've been made an accused.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆ? ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Monday.
Monday, yes. ಇದು 153 ಏನಾ?
Here for petitioners. Lord, then this, my lord, there is one objection, my lord. FIR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಹೆಸರು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಪೇಟೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಜಗದೀಶ್.
One after the another they are filing, my lord. And in this matter, my lord, even they take magistrate's order, my lord, to remove the tweet, my lord. That is, my lord, without hearing at the behind back of the petitioner. Magistrate passes an order, my lord, to remove the tweet also. Order dated, my lord, 3/9/2024, my lord, from page number 20 onwards. Now, my lord, this has become a, my lord, routine exercise, my lord. A
ನೀವು
register.
ಅದೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅವ್ರು ಅದೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
No, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. They register on FIR, then they make an application before the magistrate to pass an order. Magistrate passes an order, my lord, to remove directly without, my lord, following the principles of natural justice or anything.
ನಿಮ್ ಟ್ವೀಟ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
Somebody has, my lord, written an article. Based on that, my lord, this tweet has been done. And my lord, the entire credit is given to the
so and so. ಇದೇನು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ?
ಅದೇ
ಮಂಡೇ ಬರ್ಲಿ.
ಆಧಾರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್, my lord, and the cost rate list.
ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ರೂಲ್ಡ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು.
ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
The accused number 1 is, my lord, Bangladeshi journalist. The accused number 2 is before a lordship, my lord, from Rajasthan. They are trying to, my lord.
ಮಂಡೇ ಏನು ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ? ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನ ಹುಡುಕೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಿಡಿ. They will have to enter into a desert safari. Yes. Just on Monday in the fresh matters list.
My request for Friday.
ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ? ಏನಾದ್ರು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 2:30 ತಗೊಂತ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ದಾರೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೆರಡು 153 ತಗೊಂಬರ್ಬೇಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ. ಎಸ್.
Domestic violence petition was filed by the wife. 10,000 million supportive maintenance. She is also doctor and she is a qualified doctor and she is earning 57,000 salary. It's an admitted fact. But that we have challenged before the
Appeal
lawyer.
ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಾ?
Appeal application are rejected.
What are
any
you?
reasons.
ನೀವೇನು?
I am the husband, Milan. I am the husband. Appellant, Milan. Before the.
ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್
I am
ಅಪ್ಪಲೆಂಟ್
also,
ಏನ್
I am
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ
also
ಸರ್?
doctor. I am also doctor. She is also doctor.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್.
She's Milan, she's drying. She's a government employee, showing almost 70,000 is a salary.
ನೀವೆಷ್ಟು ಸಂಪಾದನೆ
Alla,
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
I'm a doctor, I'm a private doctor.
So
But supportive
more than
maintenance.
earning more.
But I have taken care of my son education expenses.
All right.
Everything I have paid. At least conditional stay may be kindly given.
ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅರಿಯರ್ಸ್?
Arrears my lord 14 lakhs ಇದೆ. ಅದ್ರ 1 lakh ಕಟ್ಟಿದೀನಿ already. On the last week. 2 lakhs I will deposit.
3 lakhs you deposit.
2 lakhs man. 10,000 ಅದು. Supportive maintenance ಅದು. Because
ಅಲ್ಲ
she's
ಅದು ಏನಾರು ಇರ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡ್ರೇ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಯ್ತು. There shall be an interim order of stay of the impugned order directing maintenance subject to the condition that the petitioner would deposit 3 lakhs within the next 4 weeks. List the matter on last week of October.
Please.
Yes, 29.
Appearing for the
Hi,
petitioner,
Peter.
seeking a short accommodation, Your Honor, and a date may be fixed for your end.
My lord, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ as per this honorable court, we have taken the custody of the golden ornaments ಅಷ್ಟೇ so.
That is it's covered, madam. Nothing is going to happen. Yes, list after 4 weeks. Next.
Lords, in connection with
Extend the interim order.
Serial number 102, interim order to be extended.
Interim order subs, ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ continue ಮಾಡಿ.
In connection with the impugned FIR, Lords, I was granted anticipatory bail with the condition that I should not leave the jurisdiction of the court. Then Lords, I applied for permission to leave the country. And then Lords, that was rejected and I was directed to deposit my passport
Deposit where?
in the court,
Which court?
in the sessions court.
That is not permissible.
And Lord, now Lords, I am required to go to USA. for
That
my-
you file an application before the concerned court. I will direct where is the passport now?
It's in the sessions court.
Court has no jurisdiction to keep it. Yes.
I have complied with the direction, Lord. Now it's.
That you file an application before the court, let the court pass appropriate orders.
Liberty may kindly be.
Yes. The petitioner is before
This application, I know 1 of 2024, Lords, I've sought for release. Lords.
release of passport.
Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೋ ಅವರೇ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್. The petitioner is before this court calling in question so and so.
I have 1 of 24.
ಅಲ್ಲ FIR ಪೂರ್ತಿ FIR ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಮೇಲೆ ತಾವು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದು.
ಹಾ.
ಅದು ನಡೆದಿದೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಯ್ಯ ಹಾಕಿದೆ.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾಕಿ ನೀವು. Yes, the order on IA. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that he is wanting to travel to
The USA.
the United States on account of his avocation. The
Actually, with my daughter's Lord's
on account of daughters?
graduation.
On account of daughter's graduation. The petitioner is at liberty to file an application before the concerned court drawing up an appropriate itinerary of his travel, both the onward and return, along with an affidavit before the court. The concerned court shall pass necessary orders in accordance with law, notwithstanding the interim order operating in the case at hand. The learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the court has directed deposit of the passport before it. If that be so, it is an action which is completely contrary to law in the light of the law laid down by the apex court in the case of Suresh Nanda versus so and so. Therefore, the concerned court shall pass necessary orders on the application application following the law laid down by the apex court in Suresh Nanda versus so and so. In the event the application is filed, the concerned court shall pass necessary orders within 1 week from the date of filing of the application. Ordered accordingly. Yes, next.
The interim order in this case may
Interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
That's in MC number, that's I filed an application now, my lords, looking for compounding and project. FIR, my lords.
Just after vacation, interim order subsisting shall continue.
That's in MC petition.
List after vacations. Interim order ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Overwhelmingly enthusiastic gentlemen may take some time, my lords may kindly.
No
have.
problem. Yes.
May I? my lord? So great. Vacating IA is filed by them.
ಅವರೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಏನಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಐಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಐಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ for vacating stay.
Which this matter could be heard finally. my lord. That's my, that's
Could
my
be heard
submission.
finally, sir.
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 14th, 15th, 16th ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಇವತ್ತೇ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾನು 4 ಲೈನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಬೇಡ ನಿಮ್ದಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ದು 4 ಲೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ನಮ್ದು ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
To the power of
ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ನ ವೆಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲಿಂದ
ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅದ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅವಾಗ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು.
Take the heart of the man and just
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
leave him alive.
Yes,
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಥ್ರಾಟಲ್ಡ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಶಿಪ್.
correct. What's the ಏನ್ offense ಹೇಳಿ?
ಸರ್ ನಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಐಟಮ್ಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕದ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Oh,
380. ಹೌದು 380 ಸರ್.
379, 380, yes.
380.
ಏನ್ ಕದ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಏನು ಕದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಮೆಲೋಡ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್.
ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ವೆಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು ಹೌದು,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು.
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 58 ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
ನಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಐಟಮ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಕದ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಏನ್ ಐಟಮ್?
ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಷನರೀಸು.
ಏನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಅದು?
ನಮ್ದು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ರೀಸೈಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್.
ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ರೀಸೈಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮರು, ಪ್ಯಾನಲ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸು, ಮೋಟರ್ಸು.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಇವರು?
ಮಾರ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸೀನ್.
ಮಾರ್ತಾರ? ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಏನ್ ಸಂಬಂಧ?
See, they are the landlords, I am the tenant.
Doesn't pay rents. And all the checks bounces, my lord.
No,
ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ರೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ?
ಅರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
Not even a single NP rent has been paid.
The problem is, they say in their own notice, they say that they don't have any other source of income.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ they are dependent on you.
It's a KADB land, which they are supposed to start an industry. They don't do that. It's a scam of some sort.
Why did you enter as a tenant there?
No, I entered the tenant there because it was closer to me, because I was recycling for Coca-Cola and Bangalore Dairy and other. I used to recycle their plastics. Okay, as per the conditions of the KIDB, they are supposed to.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು. ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ?
ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ಗೊಂದು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು ದಟ್.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ರೈಟ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇವಿಯಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್. I can come the judgmentsಗಳು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಇದಾವೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದರ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಪ್ರೈಮಾ ಫೇಸಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. And the thing is, they've admitted it. I can take it.
ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ದಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ವಾಪಸ್? ಇಲ್ಲ
ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿಲ್ಲ my lord. This is what happens. He takes, my lord, premises on rent from, my lord, the doctors, my lord, who have been working at. Doesn't pay rents. Then, my lord, one fine day when we go on incident, all the checks bounces. Not one, my lord. Every check he issues, my lord, gets bounced. I have appended that. Then he was asked to, my lord, vacate. He keeps all the material, some of the machineries which he could pull out, he pulls it out and keeps outside the factory premises. Then he would go to civil court and seek for an injunction against us. IO was not granted. My lord, this happens on, OS was filed on 6/12/2023. Injunction was not granted. Then on 5/1/2024, 7 December, injunction not granted. After 1 month, he goes to the private complaint court and files a private complaint.
ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ?
The PCR court, magistrate court. Then, my lord, he will go, one nimsha iri. Then, my lord, he will file a private complaint. Kindly, my lord, see how the private complaint, my lord, the learned magistrate orders. My lord, this is what, my lord.
Efforts for investigation.
If that was done, my lord, I would have been more than happy. Kindly, my lord, see.
Then we will direct investigation. We are happy for that. I'll direct investigation.
This at least this
So
complaint
you'll be more
doesn't
than
deserve.
happy for that.
No, my lord, this complaint doesn't deserve it. Kindly, my lord, have page number 28, my lord.
ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳಿ.
The IO of the concerned police station is hereby directed to file a charge sheet as possible as early, my lord. This is
As possible as early.
This
Or
is
as early as possible.
this is, my lord, a new dimension to 156 clause 3.
ಬರೀ ಸಿಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎರರ್ ಎಲ್ಲದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ. Yes.
New dimension to 156 clause 3. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರಿ, ನಾನು ತಗೋತೀನಿ ಇರಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ದಿವಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ.
ಬೇಡ ಸರ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
I believe, my lord, he is a good industrialist. I believe, my lord, he concentrates on industrial development, recycling, noble causes he's doing. Why? I don't know, my lord, why.
Best cause is in it.
My lord, this is
Yes,
nothing
yes,
but cynical.
After vacation, we'll hear.
So great.
Yes. Heard the Leonard Senior Council.
Interim order vacate
Interim order.
vacate ಮಾಡಿ sir.
Mod. Yes. They heard the Leonard Senior Council, M.S. Shyam Sundar appearing for the petitioner and the respondent in person. ನೀವು ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರಾ?
ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ.
He should do that. Why is he
Industry
wasting
ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ,
time?
software services ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ sir.
ಓ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಈ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಎಸ್. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಈ 4 ದಿನ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
Immediately after the vacation.
ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವೆಕೇಶನ್.
ಅದನ್ನ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. Immediately.
ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. 21st October.
Much obliged. Much obliged.
ಇಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡವಾ?
Since it is sought to be vacated, my lord, this is getting urgent, deemed that, my lord.
ಡೀಮ್ಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ.
Oh, great.
ಡೀಮ್ಡ್. ಎಸ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್.
Let's not kindly extend the influence.
ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಏನು ಬೇಡ ಡೀಮ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. He should walk away without any problem. You are walking away. Extend it, please.
So great.
My lord, the petitioner is the bailiff in city civil court.
Or not?
6, my lord.
Not 6.
My lord, he has been arraigned as an accused for executing a delivery warrant.
Yes, sir. List after vacation.
My lord, the proceedings may be stayed, my
No.
lord. My lord, there is no allegation against him in the complaint, my lord.
Next, after vacation. ಕರೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Settlement, my lord.
ಅದೇ ಕರೆದಿತ್ತು. ರಘು. ಆಯ್ತು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ್.
For the petitioner, offense under section 494 of IPC.
ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Yes, yes. Parties are not present, madam.
Not present.
Contacted the respondent.
List after vacation. Next.
An observation may be made stating that the pendants of this petition shall not come in the way of the lower court disposing the case against the other accused.
ಈಗ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
There's a stay against accused number 5 and 6. The other accused matter has been settled, but the lower court is not.
I can't do that. Yes. List after vacation. Next.
From what I
They
have
are
been-
not before the court. How can I say something?
What I have been informed is the complainant has taken the money and gone to Rajasthan at the moment.
No problem. Yes, list immediately after vacation. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next item.
My
ಬೇರೆ
lord,
accused ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು case,
152.1.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕದು. Next.
Appeal for petition. It is settled 498A, my lord.
Respondent,
Respondent number 2.
advocate ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Either, sir.
Okay, yes.
I am from the respondent number 2, my lord.
Yes, madam. So and so undertakes to enter appearance of the respondent registry to print the name of so and so.
Joint petition and affidavit is filed, my lord.
498 है ना?
तुम्हें भी आओगे, तुम्हें आओ सामने। मैं उनके साथ हूँ। इधर आओ मैडम, मेरे सामने, मेरे को।
Flag ಹಾಕಿ.
Sign, sir.
ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ 167 ನಿಂದೇನಾ?
ಅದೇ ಅದು.
ಸೇಮ್
Same, connected. A1 ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2 to 5.
167 ಇದು ಸೇಮ್
ಎರಡು connected. Club ಮಾಡಿ
ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Joint affidavit ಹಾಕಿ.
All right. Next.
A1 is not there.
Where is he?
He is not in town.
Dubai.
Application is filed.
Body yes.
The 317, my lord. Order sheet one.
ಅದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಲ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು? ಏನಿದೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್? ಎಸ್, ಎನಿವೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇಟ್.
Close.
Very close modest. Next,
Appearing for the petitioner, my lord. Filing the memorandum of settlement before the mediation.
where is the respondent?
Respondent number 2, the notice is not yet issued here.
Then I can't settle it, yes.
Because the hearing in the trial court is on 3/10, my lord.
Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that the matter has been settled between the parties before the concerned court. In that light, further proceedings before the concerned court, where the petitioner shall remain stayed. Next, after sir, in Yavataru Barle,
After vacation.
list after vacation, yes. No, 156, no settlement? 155, no settlement, yes. Next.
Appearing for petitioner, my lord. Offense under section 338 of IPC.
Settlement,
Please, my lordship.
Elliot.
Parties have settled the matter. And also as per the interim order, my lord, petitioner has paid the 50,000 rupees, my lordship. Petitioner was a Ayurvedic doctor and respondent number 2 was the maid, my lordship.
I think ಏನಾಗ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ?
Lordship, the matter has to be settled and she is willing to settle the matter. And respondent number 2 told the advocate that he would be coming with my lordship.
Pass over ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ?
Lordship is not coming, but since she is here, my lordship.
Oh, no. Which advocate ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ?
Swarupan.
ಇದಾರಾ?
ಇದಾರೆ,
Yes,
ಅವ್ರ
so, yes. Where is the settlement?
My lordship, I am filing the
What year?
application, my lordship.
338.
Please, my lordship. The thumb was injured.
One, two, three. Close. Yes.
Much obliged. Signature must. Much obliged.
Next. Latif. Latif is there. You are Latif. Why are you there? Settlement ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? List after vacation, yes. ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಡೋರ್ ಇಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? Yes, next.
Lord, I am appearing for the petitioner, my
Ah.
lord. The matter has been settled before the
Hence.
trial. My lord, 498 and 506.
ಕೊಡಿ.
Respondent number 2 is present.
Leonard, where is the husband?
He is there.
So, ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಡಿ ಎಸ್ ಶಿವಣ್ಣ ನೀವೇನಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಕ್ಲೋಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ದಸರಾ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ. ವರ್ಕ್ ದಸರಾ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ. ಎಸ್.
Lord, now the petitioner is paying 2,80,000 rupees by way of
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
DD.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The counsel for the husband has handed over demand draft of rupees 2 lakhs.
2,80,000 rupees.
2,80,000, which is acknowledged by the respondent who is present in person. Yes, ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Close. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. Next.
My lord, I appear on behalf of the petitioners in the matter. If a date may be fixed, I'll keep them present. They live in Gujarat, my lord. They could not make it today.
Online.
Yes, my lord, a date may be
When
fixed.
do you want? Friday?
Yes, my lord, Friday.
Friday at 2:30.
And, my lord, if an interim order may be granted because they're trying to arrest the petitioner.
Trying to arrest?
Yes, my lord.
Where is the memorandum of settlement?
102, my lord.
One ನಿಮಿಷ.
Annexure E.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the parties to the list have settled the dispute amongst themselves and have drawn certain terms of settlement, which includes closure of these proceedings. The respondent is not present. The petitioner are said to be residing at in Ahmedabad.
Yes, my lord.
In Ahmedabad, and therefore list this matter on 30th to report settlement at 2:30 PM. Till such time, further proceedings shall remain stayed.
Obliged, your lord.
Yes. Next.
Right. This
Boxer.
folks ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. Advocate culprit.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇದ
Yeah.
307,
Well,
364,
Before last time,
64A.
directed me to file affidavit respect of the petitioners.
Ah.
In all, there are 5 petitioners, my lord. So far as A5 is concerned, there are no cases at all. So far as A4 is.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು A5 ಏನು?
In all 5 persons.
ಹಾ.
So far as A5 is concerned, there are no cases at all. So far as A4 is concerned, nobody is come forward. So far as A1, A2, A3 is concerned, my lord, There are one case each. I am filing affidavit to that effect.
ಆಯ್ತು ಅದು ಕೊಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು.
Right.
ಈಗ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
Entry ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸುಮಿತ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. They are in custody from 15 to 21.
ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
They are in custody from 15 to 22.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಲಿ? ನಾಳೆ ಏನಾರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ಡೇ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ.
Malad in the fresh list.
In the fresh matters list. Yes. Anjareddy. List after 2 weeks, list after vacation, next.
Appearing for the petitions, kindly press for time.
Press time.
Respond to.
Grants time after vacation, yes.
Any date may be after vacation.
Move the court, yes.
For the petitioner.
For the
Husband and
respondent.
wife.
Husband and wife
Reunited now as per the mediation settlement.
reunited, settled, yes.
Parties are.
The petitioners are before this court so and so. The husband and the wife were also before the family court during the pendency of these proceedings and are said to have reunited today by drawing up certain terms of settlement. The term of settlement term of settlement also recognizes closure of these proceedings. In that light, and the offense not being against this, in that light, though the offense alleged is the one punishable under section 307 of the IPC, it being between the husband and the wife, and the husband and the wife having reunited, I deem it appropriate to accept the settlement and close the proceedings, square the petitioner allowed quashed, disposed quashed. Yes, next.
Right.
Next. Yes, Nataraj.
Both the parties are ready to.
ಏನು offense ಏನು?
384, 354C,
354C.
406, 420.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ settlement?
Yes, my lords. The parties are present. Yeah, complainant is present.
Settlement ಇದೆಲ್ಲ.
Settlement, no conditions, my lord.
Open settlement?
Yes, my lords.
No, ಏನಾದ್ರು draw up something and place it before the court.
No.
ನೀವು orally ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು orally ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
No, I have filed.
No
affidavit-
order.
No, I have filed a affidavit with regarding that. She is not having any conditions.
Who is the complainant's advocate?
Yes, present.
That can't be, you file an application under 320. Because 384 and file an application, day after tomorrow will take.
Yes, my lords. I already
There-
filed it.
320 ದ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, my lords. Page number 80.
ಬಾಕ್ಸರ್ ಯಾರು?
Like, he is Nivit and he is a boxer. He's a national champion. National.
Boxing champion.
Yes, ma'am. He is having a competition in the next day after tomorrow.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? Yes. Application sounds. Close ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ದೇನ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
You should.
The boxer. Objection ಹಾಕು. Learned counsel so and so undertakes to enter appearance. ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾರು ಮತ್ತೆ? ವಕಾಲತ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Yes, my lords.
You are appearing, madam?
Yes,
For whom?
apply.
Where is the ವಕಾಲತ್?
On behalf of Chetan sir, I'm appearing, sir.
ಒಂದು ವಕಾಲತ್ ತಂದು ಕೊಡಿ ಈಗ. Yes, so and so enters appearance for the respondent. Closed, yes. Now you can box freely.
Yes.
Yes. ನಿಮ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ವಕಾಲತ್ ಬೇಕು.
For petitions in this case, my lord.
Filing wakalat for respondent number 2, my lord.
Offense.
504, 506.
Parties.
Parties are present, my lord.
Respondent 2 is up.
ಕೊಡಿ ಅದು.
Offense 498. For 3 matters, I'm filing wakalat. Respondent number 2 is present.
Petitioners in all the cases are.
ಬರೀ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಪ್ಯಾರ 8. 498. ಆ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ 3 ಪ್ಯಾರ ಇದೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾಕಿ. ಎಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. all matters, 165, all.
To the respondent, my lord. And for the petitioners, my lord. Petitioner number one
I
and
filed
two is
wakalat and
present.
affidavit for respondent number 2.
Offense,
POCSO.
POCSO. Settlement ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
The respondent has agreed, my lord.
What is the age of the victim? ಈಗಲ್ಲ.
17 years, 2 months, 12 days.
17 years, 2 months, 2 months.
12 days.
Under 12 days.
ಬರ್ಲಿ. List on ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ಮೇಡಮ್? 20th October. Yes, list on 20th October. ಅಲ್ಲ 21st October. Yes. Next. Next.
Respondent number 2.
Offense. Offense ಏನು?
419, 420 and 86C.
Petitioner ಯಾರು?
Petitioner.
ಅಲ್ಲ petitioner counsel ಯಾರು ಸರ್? ನೀವೇ? All right, yes. Settlement ಕೊಡಿ.
Respondent number 2. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. File ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So, 168, sir. What's amount was recovered to the tune of 7 lakhs, may be released in.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ it's seized by whom now?
Seized by the CCB mallet.
The drop ಇದೆಲ್ಲ settlement ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ drop ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ. The learned counsel appearing for the respondent complainant, appearing for the parties would submit that an amount of rupees 7 lakhs is seized and is in the custody of the investigating officer.
Please, Manoj.
Custody of the investigating officer. If that be so, the investigating officer or the court before which it is now kept in custody shall release the amount in favor of
Petitioner. Manoj.
in favor of the
Respondent number 2, Manoj.
petitioner.
No, Manoj. Respondent number
In
2.
favor of the complainant.
Sorry, Manoj.
In favor of the complainant in accordance with law without broking any delay.
Please, much obliged.
Next. Vinay. POCSO. Acquitted.
Madam,
A2 ಯಾರು?
The system, my lord, only allegation, my lord, is at page 54. But she
A1 is
abetted.
acquitted. Where is the order of acquittal?
My lord, at page 111, my lord.
The petitioner is accused number 2 in a case concerning offences punishable under so and so, page 95 ಅಲ್ಲಿ mark ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. The concerned court tries both. ನೀವ್ಯಾಕೆ acquit ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ?
ನಿಮಗೆ separate charge sheet ಮಾಡಿ notice ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Split. The concerned court drew up a split charge sheet against the petitioner accused number 2 in terms of its order dated 17/12/2018, in which the accused number 1 is acquitted in special CC 202 of 2017. In the light of the accused number 1 himself being acquitted of the aforesaid offences, his sister accused number 2 would not mean that would get convicted even if trial is permitted against her. During the subsistence of the proceeding in the drawn up split charge sheet in terms of the order dated 17/12/2018, the petitioner is now sought to be tried. And therefore they have drawn up terms of settlement for closure of these proceedings. The terms of settlement also recognizes the closure of these proceedings as observed herein above. In the light of the acquittal of accused number 1 for the aforesaid offences and those offences not laid against this petitioner, the sister of accused number 1, I deem it appropriate to accept the application, close the proceeding.
T20 application ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಏನೂ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
Consent, my lord. Didn't know, my lord.
ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಓರಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನಾನು ಓರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
Monday, my lord.
ಬರ್ದಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೆಟರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ಆನ್ ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಡಿ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್.
Yes, my lord. On merits,
ನೀವು
my lord.
ವಕಾಲತ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಅವತ್ತು ಹಾಕೋಣ. On Friday in the fresh matters list.
Yes.
What, Abhinay?
Sorry, my lord.
Yes.
The petitioner evaluation. Respondent number 2 is present. Respondent number 2.
Offense.
Offense is
415, 420, my lord. Surface proceedings, sir. Sales certificate
465,
also.
468, 479, 420, 120 B, my lord.
Keledu. Settlement.
My lord, there is no settlement here, my lord. Only sales certificate has been issued. They have to.
Again ಆಗ್ಬೇಕೀಗ.
Alla, FIR has to be quashed, my lord.
Settlement ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತು ಮತ್ತೆ? Why did you move for settlement?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಪೋಸಿಟರ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Not move the matter, my lord. I'm
Lest
very sure
after
about it.
vacation, interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
Wait
ಅವಾಗ
for-
cost ಮಾಡು.
My lord, one submission. If sales certificate also issued, they have no objection.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈಗ?
Interim order.
Yes. Ajesh Kumar,
No settlement, my lords. It may be heard on merits.
interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದೆ.
Lest after vacation, the learned counsel of the petitioner submits the talks of settlement have failed, lest the matter after vacation to be heard on merits. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing.
And 79 BNS.
Respondent.
Settle ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಆಗಿದೆ.
Respondent so and so enters appearance for the respondent. 75, 79.
Awesome. Yes.
ಏನ್ 75, 70? ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕೀಗ.
354.
350?
4A.
Yes, sir. Complainant is here.
Yeah, both are present, madam.
Who is the accused?
This is there.
All right, yes. Flag.
Yep.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
ಮುಗೀತು settlements.
Lord, one sir. Serial number 137 is also for compromise, my lord.
Settlement.
Please.
Offense ಏನು?
Foxo Act, my lord. No, my lord. Age is 17 year, 8 months, 8.5 months, my lord.
Custody ಇದ್ದಾರಾ?
Custody.
Custody ಇದ್ರೆ we'll have to look into it.
I have already filed it.
Married?
Married, my lord.
Child?
Child, 1 month child, my lord. All are residing together.
DNA?
Uh,
DNA report.
As of now, charge sheet is not, now charge sheet is filed, it is not yet numbered.
ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. Get the 1 month child.
No, one more submission. Even elder sister of the victim.
ಅಲ್ಲ, the child, at the time of childbirth, I think DNA will be tested and kept. Just check, take it.
The only submission, my lord, even elder sister of the victim also got married to elder brother of the petitioner number 1, who is in custody, my lord. And all are residing under one roof, my lord.
You made it a family gathering, yes.
Now she is 18 year, 9 months, my lord.
All right, no problem. We'll close it, no issues. Get that DNA report. Charge sheet, investigation ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಿ. Day after tomorrow, I'll close it. We'll direct release of his release. Monday, Friday ಆಗೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ. Friday 2:30 PM, I'll take it.
Please.
137. ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿ, marriage certificate?
I have not registered, my lord. I have submitted the birth certificate of the victim.
No, she is not yet 18 now.
She is 18 year, 9 months, my lord, now.
All right, yes, we'll see. On Friday at 2:30, we'll close it.
Please, my lord.
Yes. You.
My lord, on 6th, they pick up the boy, my lord, from the PG. I have produced, my lord, the surveillance visuals. On 6th, my lord, 6th September, they pick up the boy from the PG. On 7th, my lord, they enacted drama.
Drama?
In fact, my lord, that's the best word that fits in. Saying that on 7th, he was in the accompaniment of 2 others, selling, my lord, ganja. My lord, my lord.
What is recovered from you?
5 kgs, 560 grams is what they say.
Ganja?
Ganja. I will show, my lord. If your lordship should kindly see, my lord, this is the impeccable record. Surveillance camera, my lord, from the PG.
Even iPad ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಲಿ.
We have, my lord, appended it to the petition. Kindly, my lord, have page number 47.
ಏನಿದು?
The PG, my lord, where he stays, we in the police, my lord, coming there, taking him, everything is recorded. This happens, my lord, on 6th of September. On 7th, my lord, they say that he along with 2 other boys, my lord, the information received was that in that old airport road, my lord, they were standing there with a weighing machine,
Police were with the weighing machine.
No, the accused persons with a weighing machine selling ganja on the footpath. So immediately, within 10 minutes, my lord, they informed to the ACP. Within 10 minutes, ACP, my lord, gives them a go ahead. Within that, my lord, they get ready with all the paraphernalia. In another 5 minutes, they reach the place, and my lord, they enact a scene that, my lord, there is a seizure. Very importantly, if your lordships could see, the arrest happens, the raid happens, my lord, at 9 p.m. According to my lord, very Mahajan.
No. Where is the ganja seized?
At the spot.
Where is it, sir?
On the airport road.
Seize ಮಾಡಿದ ಗಂಜಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಫೋಟೋ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ
ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ವಿವಿಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ ಕಲರ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ ತರನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
I will show the video itself to Jagdish. And kindly see, my lord.
Give him proper pictures. X-ray ತರ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. Yes.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ರೇ ಆದ್ರೂ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇದು ನೋಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Only one, my lord, glaring anomaly, my lord, which I will point
52
out.
grams of ganja. 5 kg, 52 grams.
On the footpath, my lord, they were selling it with a weighing machine, my lord. Is a story, my lord, hard to believe.
Sir, in ತರಕಾರಿ ಮಾರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು.
And the Panchanama happens on the footpath only.
ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ರೀನ್ಸ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂತ.
ಗಾಡಿ ತರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ?
ಗಾಡಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ. I'll read the Panchanama. Panchanama happens on the footpath, and they raid, my lord, they go and catch them at 9 p.m. And the Mahajar starts, my lord, half an hour before the raid itself, according to their own Mahajar. My lord, 2 places they clearly say, we launched a charge and, my lord, raided at 9 p.m. And Mahajar started at 8:42 p.m. My lord, how a Mahajar can start even before the raid, my lord, is $1 million question which they have to answer.
Mind.
Mental raid. Then secondly, my lord, very interestingly, they produce the FIR goes to the magistrate only on the next day. At the same time, when the FIR reaches the magistrate, arrest memo, and, my lord, all the articles seized, etc. Everything.
But you were arrested earlier.
I was arrested on 6th itself, my lord. I have an impeccable record to show. I was picked up.
Record ante why impeccable?
My lord, video footages, my lord, is quite impeccable.
Yet another case.
Let him give the CCTV, whatever. Let him.
ಈಗೇನ್ 230 ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
My lord, there now once again, my lord, I am on bail. Once again, my lord, on the same day, my lord, the next day newspaper reports 18 cases, my lord, in a single day. My lord, this is one another case, my lord, just to make up their numbers. They, my lord, catch hold innocent boys and say, he is a peddler, he is a peddler. My lord, now, my exams are there. The college is not allowing me to, my lord, I am a student. Because of this case, my lord, I have been stigmatized so much. Absolutely a false case.
Target ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, on the next day, my lord, I myself read the newspaper, 18 cases, single day.
ಇಲ್ಲ, there is no such target.
ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ?
ಏನ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವ್ಯಾಕೆ ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ?
ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇನಾದ್ರೆ
ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ
ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೇಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು NDPS ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವನ್ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಇದ್ರು ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
5 kg ಗಾಂಜಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ರೀಸೈಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, we will secure the records, man.
Yes.
We'll secure the records.
ಈಗೇನು ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು?
The proceedings against him, my lord. This is, my lord, a glaringly a false case, an implication, my lord. This should not have. And on the, my lord, on top of all these things, he is being produced before, my lord, for an offense of 20B before a learned magistrate. Learned magistrate makes a note that this is exclusively tribal, the sessions court, till, my lord, takes, my lord, receives everything. My lord, the learned magistrate could not have, my lord, acted. It's only a special judge, my lord, who exercises the jurisdiction.
We'll secure all the records. ಏನೇ ಬೇಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ
ನಾಡಿದ್ದು
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಬೇಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
My lord, I am not allowed to go to school, my lord.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. You're allowed or not allowed ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ.
October 2nd week onwards ಇಂದ ಇದೆ.
Onwards ಇಂದ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪಾಪ ಅವರು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಕ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ರು?
ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯಿಂದ, ಡೆಹ್ರಾಡೂನ್ ಇಂದ.
ಡೂನಿಂದ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ?
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು, my lord, they are my lord,
quality.
They are planting quality material in him. This is another quality material, my lord, is being planted.
ವುಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ತಂದಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಎಸ್. ಯಾವಾಗ? ಫ್ರೈಡೆ. Friday, get the records. And where is the ganja that is seized? 52A draw madidira, 50 madidira. All these procedures I need. If nothing is there, then straight away will pass orders.
Yes.
Again, don't keep on violating the law. You correct ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು nobody will escape. Deliberately you do wrong things. Procedure draw ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಯಾಕೆ? And 5 kg ಗಾಂಜಾ ಏನು ಅವ್ರು ದಾರಿಲಿ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಮಾರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಾ?
It seems to be.
ಅಲ್ಲ, seems to be footpath ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು.
Mahajar says, and entire Mahajar was also drawn on the footpath.
ಗಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಫುಟ್ಪಾತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ರೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
Footpath ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇದೆ.
ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್.
ವೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು?
ಅದನ್ನ ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನ ತೂಕ ಹಾಕಿ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾರಕ್ಕೆ.
ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾವು ತೂಕ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ.
ಹಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಲ್ವ?
ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಮಹಜರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ತೂಕ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಇವರು ತೂಕ ಹಾಕಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನೀವು ತೂಕ ಹಾಕಿ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, they have ensured, my lord, the correct, my lord,
weighty submissions. Yes. Day after tomorrow.
So grateful.
Yes, sir.
So grateful.
And don't harass them. Where any protection?
My lord, I have to make this submission because, my lord, we produced the CCTV footage in the trial court at the time of bail. My lord, the parents are here. They are saying, oh, you are doing this, we'll implicate him in another 10 cases. This is what, my lord, they said. Anyhow, we have labeled him as a peddler. My lord, this is what is happening.
Yes. Don't harass them till day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow in the fresh matters list.
So great.
The CCTV, let me also have a look at.
Allah, we'll give, my lord.
ನಿಮ್ಮ iPad ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Colorful pictures, my lord, we'll give. Will not, my lord.
Pictures in color ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
Pictures in
What colorful
No,
pictures?
yes, I'm sorry. We'll give, my lord, vividly.
Color pictures in color.
Yes,
Sorry.
yes. We'll
Don't give colorful pictures.
Yes. So great. No precipitative action.
ಅದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
Will
Don't
not do
harass.
anything. Not 2 days, nothing will happen.
The respondents are restrained from taking any precipitative action against these ಒಬ್ರೇನಾ?
I am, my lord, only for.
Against the petitioner. ನೀವು ಒಬ್ರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು?
ಇಲ್ಲ 3 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಮಕ್ಕಳು?
Children, my lord.
ಹೌದು.
Children. Accused number 2.
In a contempt petition, my lord, against the BDA for non-enforcement, my lord, an affidavit is filed by the commissioner. My lords may take the affidavit, my lord, at page 85. This affidavit is filed on 2nd of June 2022, paragraph.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
They take a stand, my lord, that I misled this honorable court and obtained a writ petition order.
Who has taken that stand?
BDA.
Where is it?
At page 85, my lord. Paragraph 11. I state that it transpires from the above that the complainant may not have owned 2 acres, 30 guntas of
No,
land.
has the court complained?
No, ma'am. Now the division bench refuses to accept this contention, my lord. That order, my lord. At page, my lord. The last operating portion, my lord, it's a lengthy order, starts at 73, my lord. This is taken up to Supreme Court, the apex court, my lord, at the next page 75. Also holds that the BDA should undergo trial. When the date the matter is listed for charge.
Division bench ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ?
73, madam.
73?
Page 73.
Where is the division bench declining to accept this contention?
In view of this contention, my lords, the honorable division bench records at page 54 and at page 57, 54 to 57, paragraph 21. In view of the above, we answer the point raised in the contempt petition is a negative, holding that the accused BDA.
Vinay, page 73 ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ink page 73.
Para 21.
Para 20?
21.
I am there. Answer point raised for contempt petitions answered negative, holding that the accused BDA has not complied with 7 directions, so and so. All right.
This matter is taken up in the SLP, my lord, at page 75.
ಈಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
Now, my lord, is on the same complaint FIR is registered on the date when the matter is posted for framing of charges. My lords may kindly come to page annexure Q 126.
Heard the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner calls in question registration of a crime in crime number 86 of 2024. The background to the registration of the crime appears to be an affidavit filed by the BDA before this court contending that the petitioner has taken an interim order
Final
Atta-
order,
huh?
final order.
Taken the final order on erroneous submissions. This submission is made before the division bench. The division bench declines to accept the contention of the BDA and observes that it is a case for to frame a charge against the accused in CCC 1050 of 2013. The matter is set for framing. This is challenged before the apex court. The apex court declines to interfere. The matter is set for framing of charges and the date is fixed for such framing of charges. On that day, the BDA registers a crime against the petitioner for the very same offense that the division bench had declined to accept in the aforesaid contempt petition. Prima facie, it appears that the BDA has sought to get over the framing of charges in the contempt petition by registering the crime. There shall be an what's that? There shall be an interim order of stay of all investigation in crime number 86 of 2024 till the next date of hearing. 1 HCGP 2 emergent notice. Next.
That's remand order is under challenge.
Remand order, what?
Non-compliance of Article 22 of Constitution, not furnishing of grounds of arrest.
Grounds of
Yes, ma'am. It's the Purbe's case which was
Where-
rendered on
it's all right.
15.
Where is the nothing is given to you?
It is nothing was given to me. My lords, Purbe's
How
case
do you-
which is.
I know it's Parbir, sir. How do you demonstrate that?
Yes, my lords, I have made out a case. My lords, have a look at the remand order was passed on. That is 19/9/2024. 19/9/2024. My lord should get it as page number 24. I had applied for a copy of an FIR, entire documents on very next day. That is page
POCSO.
30.
POCSO offense.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
My lord's Purbe's case says that.
That's all right. Parbir case
I'm sorry.
document ಹೇಳಿ.
I'm
Parbir
sorry.
ನನಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು.
I'm sorry.
Yes.
Page 33,
Hmm.
my lords have a look at the page number 33.
Hmm.
I had received all the copies of FIR, including all the documents which are in the hands of investigating officer.
Hmm.
That is on 29/2024.
Hmm.
That is after passing of the order of remand.
Yes, Jagdish.
Will secure, my lord, but the order sheet discloses, my lord, that he seems to have said that arrest intimation has been given.
Arrest intimation ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Grounds of arrest.
That we'll have to record, see the record.
Plain ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ಪತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. I have been telling you, correct your order. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ everybody will get bail. Why can't you do it? Grounds of arrest draw ಮಾಡೋದ್ ಕಷ್ಟ. ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ಪತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ, notice ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
I will secure, my lord, see what's,
Yes. No, there is nothing indicated here.
whether he's placed all materials or not.
Yeah, what is the offense? What is the age of the victim?
My lords, age of the victim 17 years. The case is registered, my lords, in respect of incident which has occurred 9 months before. The incident was occurred on, that is on 27/11/2023.
Who's the complainant?
My lords, complainant is a victim which was statement was recorded in the hospital. And my lords, the complaint was registered on 18/9/2024 after lapse of 9 months.
The incident is?
Incident is on 27/11/2023.
Yes, sir.
If I registered on 19/9, we'll secure the record.
Secure the grounds of arrest.
I'll
was-
secure that also, whether it has been done or not been done. Copies have been given now, not even in the morning.
The list day after tomorrow in the fresh matters list. The counsel for the petitioner is before this court on 2 grounds. One, the complaint itself is registered after 9 months of the incident. 2, the grounds of arrest as is necessary in law is not furnished to the petitioner. The learned counsel would seek to place reliance upon the judgment of the apex court in the case of Prabir Purkayastha, reported in 2024 SSC Online SC page 934, where the apex court holds that grounds of arrest are necessarily to be furnished to the person who is being taken into custody, be it arrest or on body warrant. In that, the learned additional SPP to secure instructions with regard to the furnishing of the grounds of arrest to the petitioner. The arrest intimation would not suffice the situation, is the law laid down by the apex court in the very said judgment. Therefore, Therefore, but list the matter on Tuesday, on Friday in the fresh matters list.
Right.
Yes. Next.
For the petitioners, my lords. My lords, matter has been settled amicably between the parties, my lords, for reporting settlement.
Offense, sir.
Appearing for respondent.
Offense, madam.
Offenses, my lords, 42, 365, 323, 392, and read with section 34 of IPC, my lords.
Filing wakalat.
Learned counsel so and so enters appearance for the respondent. Settlement ele kodi. Yes.
Hearing for the petitioners, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, there are 4 matters. All 4 matters, Your Lordship, are squarely covered by the judgment of Your Lordship in.
Why did you move it to 2:30?
Your Lordship, the trial court has issued NBW. I've already been enlarged on bail, Your Lordship. Labor offences, the maximum penalty, Your Lordship.
Give that, sir. Give those. Minimum wages act.
Minimum wages, payment of wages, shops and commercial establishments act, Your Lordship. The company has not been made an accused, Your Lordship, directly.
Dial D'Souza. Yes.
Dial D'Souza, indeed, Your Lordship.
Yes, sir. Yes, Jagdish.
Copy ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. Copy ಕೊಡಿ. Copy.
Copy ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ?
Petition copy.
ಮೂರಲ್ಲೂ company is not made a party?
Company has not been made a party, Your Lordship.
Anyway, it's covered by this. We'll close it. Idre, you make a mention tomorrow. Yes. The petitioner is before this court calling in question so and so. The petitioner has moved the matter on the score that NBW is issued against these petitioners, notwithstanding the fact that the issues, notwithstanding the fact that the company which ought to have been made an accused is not an accused in the case at hand. This court in so and so is held as follows. Beginning in the end or wrapped. Copy paste, beginning in the end. In that light, the petitions are allowed so and so quashed. 3 matters. Code 4 ಯಾವುದು?
4 matters, Your Lordship.
Where is it? Number ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. List ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಮೇಡಮ್. Next.
For the petitioner.
Yes.
Connected matter, same issue.
ಇದು ಅದೇನಾ? Same matter, is it? All right,
Only
same.
one is payment of wages, one is minimum wages, one is shops and commercial establishment, and one is, Your Lordship, Equal Remuneration Act. All same issues, Your Lordship.
Let's see. If there's anything, I'll post it back.
In any of these matters, Your
I'll
Lordship,
post it back if there is anything. Yes, anyway, next. You dispose, you take it as disposed. Yes. Hitesh Gowda. Madam.
My lord, in this matter, I filed an IA for direction, my lord. This is a case where the petitioner was transferred from Bangalore Central Prison to Belagavi, my lord. Post-transfer, my lord, he's subjected to constant harassment by the prison authorities, my lord. Your lordship may look into the IA that I filed today, my lord.
Yes, SP Pera.
Lord, I don't know what the urgency is.
No, urgency is ಬೇರೆ ಮಾತು. Because somebody is alleged of something, you put everybody somewhere else, is it?
No, with reason.
There should be reason to shift someone, right?
Yes. Lord, reasons are assigned, my lord.
What reasons are assigned?
The requisitions
And what
are
is this
based.
allegation that he's being harassed? Your accused number?
Accused number 14, my lord. My lord, what is done is every day I'm made to sit, I'm locked up in the cell for 15 hours. For 8 hours, the remaining 8 hours I'm made continuously to sit in front of a camera. And post which, even if the advocate.
Why camera?
My lord, they say that it's a punishment transfer. That's why I'm under observation. Any facility, anything that I'm asked for.
issue ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. I thought the issue is what it got to transfer.
Yes, the petition was for. Subsequently, with regard to this direction, I've sought for, my lord.
That's not
Even
as
the
grievous
family-
for this court.
My lord, even the family of the petitioners, when they visit the central prison in Belagavi, the petitioner is put in a different cell. The family is made to wait at another place. Both are connected over call. They're not even made to see each other face to face also, my lord. This is the kind of harassment he is undergoing. And while he was in prison in Bangalore, my lord, he was undergoing treatment for kidney stone and other minor ailments, my lord. Even with regard to that, my lord, I'm 40 years old.
Kindly see the prayer, bro. I
The
thought
prayer
this was the issue.
This is what he is alleging.
No, now he is alleging. Not in the petition, nor the prayer is made to that effect.
I filed an
Look into
IA.
that. We will look into
I
that.
filed an IA for direction, my lord.
It is not there.
Where, henceforth, I have moved the matter today, my lord. There was an interim order granted by this court not to transfer me, my lord, wherein the very same day I was transferred. On the very same
Where
day,
is the interim order granted?
my lord, interim order was granted on 29/8/2024.
Page. Oh, E case
E case sir.
Oh, I thought
The
this was
interim order
fresh
was
petition.
granted by, then I was already in transit, my lord. Henceforth, I was
Petitioners, who are the petitioners? Obre irutte.
one the petitioner, sir.
Will not be shifted to, if not already shifted.
If not already shifted. This was the interim order.
IA is not served on us. We thought it
It's
was.
not the IS, sir.
IS
There is already an order by the coordinate bench that he should not be shifted.
Yes, he was already shifted by then.
He was in transit. You could have brought him back.
No. He was in transit, yes. That it was made known to the court and
Elide.
alala. He was in transit. There is no order to that effect to bring him back.
My lord, page number 5
Now
of
it's
my
been
IA,
1
my lord.
month.
While
Now
I
the-
was in transit, what the jail superintendent and Belgavi, anticipating my arrival, I don't know why such apprehension. Page number 5, Pradosh, associate accused in Renuka Swami murder
So,
to be kept.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು?
My lord, to be kept in dark cell in Karnataka jail, my lord. Further, my lord,
Where is that?
my lord, page number 5 of my IA, my lord.
What is the allegation against you?
Well, allegation in the crime or the reason for
In the
transfer,
crime.
my lord? My lord, that an amount of 30 lakhs was recovered from me, my
You.
lord. From me.
That's all the offense?
That's the allegation against me, my lord.
Charge sheet ಹಾಕದ್ಮೇಲೆ?
My lord, I'll have to ascertain the following details. My lord, but this petition has nothing
Where
to
is
do.
the dark cell direction?
My lord, page number 5 and 6 of my IA, my lord.
Which IA are you talking of?
My lord, I filed one IA.
It is not served.
today. Copy is served, sir.
No. You have moved at 2:30. You are not served on us.
Sir, served a copy of the petition along
Yes,
with
yes.
the IA.
ಆಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ.
My lord, the article reads as Belagavi Central Prison, Central Prison Hindignala Superintendent V. Krishnamurthy informed that accused number 14 Pradosh Renuka Swami murder case and associate of actor Darshan will be kept in Andheri cell prison and jailer and 7 staff will keep a watch on him in the prison round the clock. My lord, this has been followed, my lord. This was, my lord, this update comes on 11:40, my lord, on the day when the interim order has been passed, my lord. I was not even brought to the central prison in Belagavi on that date. Since the following of that date, my lord, I have been there to constant harassment. My lord, the reason for this transfer, my lord, has nothing to do with the crime that is for which I am in custody, my lord. This has absolutely to do with the photo that went into circulation where the accused number 2 in the crime which I am involved in was seen to be smoking a cigarette in the jail premises along with other jail inmates, my
You
lord.
are not.
I am not involved, my lord. Subsequently, the Parapana Agrara PS registered an FIR, which has been, I'm just for giving a copy of the FIR, my lord.
Yeah, he is not.
1 minute. 1 minute.
So I'll give my copy.
You are not an accused here?
No, my lord, I'm not an accused in this. Well, as the trial court, while passing the order, my lord, the impugned order
Page.
is at page number 17, my lord. The operator portion is at page number 18. The reason why the respondent who gives the requisition is telling that to go curb the irregularities that have been happening up in the prison and to keep the morale of the society high. That is the reason these people have been transferred. Except for accused number 2, no other person has been arraigned as an accused in the following FIR where all the irregularities in the prison were to be found out, and absolutely no observation has been made by the trial court. And this is clear non-application of mind by the learned trial court and the respondents is my submission.
Lord, it is a paper cutting, one thing. Now he moves the matter in the morning. He doesn't serve the copy of the IA.
No problem.
Allah, we wouldn't counter that.
You secure instruction.
Yes, I'll secure it.
Yes.
You should have served me in the morning.
It's all right.
Please served.
You have served, he
See,
serves
all
in
right.
the office and he served the petition in person.
Sure.
This is what you said.
No, you have kept him in the dark cell. He has
No,
kept,
he's kept us in the dark. by
that's
not-
what I am telling. You have kept him in the dark cell. He has kept you in the dark.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. Now he admits, let him admit that he has not served.
But I've served, but I think by oversight, by
oversight.
mistake, it's not come up. However, the petition copy also I've served them.
All
today
right.
only.
It is only a paper
The-
cutting that
one
he
minute.
produces.
The petitioner, accused number 14 in ಈಗ CC ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಏನದು? In crime number 250 of 2024 is given a number under trial prisoner UTR 6109 of 2024 and was housed in the Central Prison, Bangalore. On certain incidents that cropped up later, all the were accused involved in crime number 250 of 2024 was sought to be shifted from Central Prison, Bangalore to different prisons of the state. The petitioner lands in Belagavi. The learned counsel for the petitioner has moved this matter on the score that he is being harassed by the jail authorities inside the prison. He has filed an application in which the averments read as follows, para 4 and 5 at page 125. Sorry, para 4 and 5, IL, madam. IL. It is the allegation of the petitioner that he is made to sit. He is now housed in a dark cell in the jail, and he is made to sit in front of the camera for 8 hours, saying that he is under observation, and he is locked in a cell for 15 hours in a day, and several other things which under trial prisoners, against which under trial prisoners, a kind of treatment that the under trial prisoners would not be meted out is the submission of the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, apart from projecting several ailments that he has. The learned SPP1 submit that the copy is not served upon him and he would seek instructions and make his submissions. List this matter day after tomorrow. If a report ಈ ತರ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ, ಮಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಈ ತರ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅದು ಅಂಧೇರಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಡೆಕ್ಕನ್ ಹರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅದು.
ಹೌದು, ಅವ್ರದೇ ಸೆಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು.
Therefore, the state shall explain as to why he is kept in a dark cell and why he is made to sit for 8 hours in a day in front of the camera, and for 15 hours in a day is locked inside the room without permitting him any movement. These explanations shall be by way of an affidavit by the next date, i.e. day after tomorrow, list day after tomorrow at 2:30 PM. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದು these observation, the affidavit is necessary in the light of an interim order granted by this court on by the coordinate bench of this court on 29/8/2024, stalling the shifting of the petitioner to Central Prison, Belagavi, if he had not already been shifted. It is said that he was in transit. You could have bought him back anyway. It is said that he was in transit. All these matters be, the instructions be sought on all this and an affidavit be filed by the next date. 2:30 on Friday. Is an under trial prisoner.
Yes, yes.
Why all this?
Not, I was taken by surprise.
Why all
About
this?
this
Do
IA.
you treat everybody like this?
I don't think we will
And
ascertain.
what is the offense against him?
No, we will ascertain all that.
Even the dreaded criminals you don't on
No,
under
no,
trial stage. What is
But
all this?
probably the behavior was bad and.
What behavior was bad, sir?
Smoking and having.
Smoking? Where?
No, they were doing.
Smoking bad behavior?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಿ ಜೈಲ್ ಯು
ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಯಾರು?
ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ.
ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಈಗ ಸಿರಾಜುದ್ದೀನ್ ಕರ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಏನೇನು
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್
yes sir,
the press would have an access.
and press would have access.
Display.
That may be wrong.
Yes.
I am not saying that.
Yes.
See that whatever has happened, that is not the reason for to shift everybody. Were everybody sitting there?
No, that shows their audacity, sending a
Audacity
wrong
for-
message to the public.
That's all right,
Yes,
sir.
my lord.
You take whoever was sitting there, whatever it is. There is an interim order granted saying that he should not be shifted. Anyway, by the time he was in transit, and what is this treatment?
Not if there is an order to transfer him back,
Where
we
is-
could have, but on our
where
own,
is-
we could not have.
No, what is
We
the
could not have.
treatment?
On
On our own, we could not have.
No, what is this treatment? Dark cell?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು
15
ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. I don't
15
think,
hours-
I don't think.
15 hours not allowing him to move.
I don't think. that
You
is-
don't think?
I don't
ಸುಮ್ನೆ
think that
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ
is-
affidavit ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
The wife has won the affidavit, my lord. The petitioner's wife, she was personally there when she went to meet the petitioner. This is what was communicated.
He wouldn't be allowed to go into the cell to see whether.
As Andheri
If
cell,
he's
ಅವರೇ
communicating-
Yes.
ಅಂಧೇರಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಡೆಕ್ಕನ್ ಹೆರಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಸೆಲ್ ಅದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂಧೇರಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲ.
So
So that's a direction. That's an observation of the magistrate.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, that's a newspaper cutting.
Newspaper cutting ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯೂಸ್
The observation of the magistrate was because the one particular accused was found in these activities. Henceforth, all the accused are therefore made to transfer to different prisons in the
See,
state.
you have a parameter for transfer of accused to different places
Section 25 of Prisons
under the act
ಇಲ್ಲ.
or police manual.
Police.
No. Ministerial act or would come into force only after the cognizance is taken. Otherwise, it is the jurisdiction under 167(2) of the magistrate. So therefore, prison manual or prison act would not apply.
For shifting of the under.
Yes. Only for the convicts, not a ministerial act of prison manual would apply.
Anyway, this should not be the treatment.
Yes.
Unless there's such treatment warrants. If you've drawn some measure of his bad behavior,
Yes,
that he's,
certainly, my lord,
he has to be kept in front of the camera for 8 hours or to be kept in a room, dark room for 15 hours.
Violation of
Cannot
personal
be correct.
liberty.
No,
Article
absolute
20.
violation, sir. Absolute violation. Yes, file an affidavit.
Yes.
Yes.
Back then, one of the matter, my lord, in Supreme Court, where a similar allegation was made. A principal district judge of Belgaum was sent for inspection. Inspection along with a video. There is no such Andheri cell in Belgaum, is the report of.
ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿ affidavit. ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಂಧೇರಿ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ violation of article
No, it's
21.
dark cell.
You
What,
can't,
Andheri
you
cell,
can't have
dark
ಅಂಧೇರಿ
cell?
cell.
What is that? Yes,
ಅಂಧೇರಿ cell ಇಲ್ಲ.
and give me all the kinds of cells you have there.
Yes, yes. That is in the prison manual for convicts. As otherwise, it
Dark
is only.
cell, under trials in dark cell, no.
ಇಲ್ಲ,
Even in NIA offenses you don't do.
No.
You can't keep anybody.
No.
UAPA offenses, sir.
Is either within the jurisdiction of the magistrate before cognizance is taken. After that, my lord, Prisons Act and Prison Manual would come into force.
See.
Not otherwise.
Friday. Yes, in terms of for withdrawal. Counsel of the petitioners moved the matter seeking withdrawal. Memo ಇದೆ ಕೊಡಿ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ memo ಇದೆ. In terms of the memo. Latif,
Please, pass.
settlement,
Settle.
offense.
Brought the initially 364 and 368. An intercept between the party. The suo moto FIR was registered by the police.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
Then they registered for the 395. No. The allegations are that the accused and the CW2 and 3 had been to Mumbai to bring the gold biscuits. And while transporting that, there was a dispute between the parties. This information was received by the police and suo moto registered an FIR.
Jagdish, look into it. List on Friday.
The party,
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಾಂಬೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
Mangalore.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಲಿ. Yes, next. List on Friday, 2:30 PM.
It is covered, Lord, one more, I'll pass on the.
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ,
judgment.
ಅದೇನಿದೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಅದು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಕೊಡಿ. List on Friday in the fresh matters list. Next.
Petitioner. Matter settled, filed a joint.
498A.
May be permitted to file wakalat.
Senate counsel so and so enters appearance for the respondent registry to print the name of so and so as appearing for the respondent. Both the parties are present?
Present.
Yes. All conditions fulfilled?
Yes.
All right, yes. ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ further hearing.
the respondent.
Yes, I've heard this many a time. Earlier, he was here.
I can take 1 minute to summarize. A
I
careful
remember,
perusal of the complaint. Multiple transactions has happened.
I know, sir.
Please.
Where were you, sir? Outside. Outstanding.
Senior counsel.
Yes.
Senior counsel.
Sandesh Shota.
Yes, Manoj.
Matta, I will not. Sandesh, sir, this was heard, reheard and reheard.
Not going to be some suggestion, my lords, if I could just point out. I'm not going to argue on the matter, my lords,
Yes.
because in the end of it, my lords would notice here, my lords. 4 crores which has changed hands. They've got back their amount, we have got back our amount. The property.
They have got back their amount?
Yes, my lords, the property, now the only issue is, my lords, I have filed a suit insofar as the cancellation is concerned. My lords, my averment was, though, my lords, we had cancelled it, we had someone sale deed was done, police intervened and there was a cancellation done. Challenging that, I had filed a suit, my lords. Now, virtually, my suggestion was, my lords, if we are withdrawing the suit, we will be square, my lords.
Sit and
Absolutely.
settle if you want.
Because, my lords, there will be nothing at all left because they would have got back their property. We get back our property. The amounts they have got back, we have got back. It goes square provided, my lords, I withdraw the suit, my lords. I've just seen.
Sit with them.
My lords, I'm willing to sit down with the settlement, but this matter may be disposed subsequently to it because this
I
is
am
the
not
only.
disposing it now at all.
My lords, for the sake of clarity, my lord, now I can bring the attention of this court to the sale deed and cancellation deed. In the sale deed,
You don't
our
worry.
money is not
Now,
come back, my lord. That's
all
our difficulty.
right. You sit across. If it doesn't get settled, I will pass orders on merits.
Ultimately, only my suit is the hindrance which is there. If I withdraw the
No.
suit, it is going to be square.
Money is the problem.
Yes, my lords. The point is only that cancellation which I've challenged. I'll
Whatever.
just point it out to
Let
them. We will be
the learned-
square, my lords. at
The
that
learned
point.
counsel appearing for the learned senior counsel, Sandesh Chowta, representing the petitioner, would submit that if 3 weeks' time is granted, the parties would sit across and draw and explore the possibilities of a settlement. In that light, list the matter on 24th October for further hearing at 2:30 PM.
Please.
Yes. There's an interim order in.
Interim order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing. ಯಾವ್ದು ಕರಿಬೇಡಿ. Yes. Anyone, madam? Admission matters. You call out the case. We'll continue the interim order. Really? Just after 2 weeks. Yes. After vacation. Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ? Interim order ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes. next. KV Narasimhan, list after 2 weeks.
Petition on the matter, Your Lordship. Pray for Lordship, in this matter, a divorce petition was filed by the respondent 2 weeks prior to filing of the complaint, Your Lordship.
It's all right.
The divorce has been
Interim
allowed.
order is there?
Sorry, Your Lordship.
Interim order ilva?
No, Your Lordship.
Divorce is allowed.
Please, Your Lordship.
List the matter on 14th October. Yes. Next. List after 2 weeks. Interim order there continue ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ madam. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಯಾವ್ದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ after vacation. 2 more weeks list after vacation ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Coffee beans. Interim custody, coffee beans.
Interim order ilva?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Coffee beans. 14th October. Yes. Madam? Yes.
Lord of freezing of the account, my lord.
After
it is.
vacation. Yes.
Appearing for the petitioner, Your Honor. Senior is appearing
My lord,
virtually.
I appear in 113. My lord, this is that phone.
We'll have it
payment, my
immediately
lord.
after vacation. Interim order is not there?
No, my lord, there's no interim order in
What's
this
the problem?
matter.
My lord, sir, the directors have no
22 in the
play,
interim
Your
order
Lordship.
ilwala?
My lord, with respect to the accused number 2, petition number 2 and 3, there's no interim order. On the last occasion, my lords had recorded the same thing in the order sheet as well.
My lord, sir, there are no allegations
List
against
after
any
2
of the
weeks.
petitioners. my
Interim
lord.
order subsisting shall continue till the next date of hearing.
My lord, a date may be fixed, my lord.
Yes. Next. Heard the learned senior counsel Pramod Nair ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
Respondent number 2 in this case.
Hearing for petitioner. 114.
For the petition. Respondent number 2 in this case, ma'am. Don't replace.
List after heard the learned senior counsel Padmala Male appearing for the petitioner. List after vacation. Interim order subsisting shall continue to the next date of hearing. Next.
Connected matter.
Serial number 32, 132.
ಆಯ್ತು ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅದು. ಅದು ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಎಸ್.
Petitioner, my lord.
ಇದೆಯಾ ಮೇಡಮ್? After vacation interim order.
Interim order.
Yes. AVIO.
115, my lord.
15 interim order ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ? Yes.
Achha.
16 ಇದೆಯಾ ಮೇಡಮ್? List after vacation. Next.
Petitioner by me.
For responding.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
Maintenance, my lord.
Maintenance.
They have not paid the remittance. Earlier
No.
order also they have not complied even.
My lord, total,
You are the husband.
also,
ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ arrears?
my lord,
2,93,000.
1,40,000.
2,93,000
ಆಯ್ತು.
petition.
My lord, so far, my lord, I have paid
Deposit ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ?
Yes, I,
ಈಗ 50 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
50% ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
50 ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ 55 lakhs ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು 55,000 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ 50% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1,47,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಈಗ 1 lakh ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
My lord, breathing time may be given, my lord. Now I am making
He's a
50
ASI.
ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಚೋಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈಗ.
50,000 I am paying. my lord.
50,000 ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಡಿ 50,000. ಬರೋ ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Please.
ಈಗ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಎಸ್. The learned counsel with the petitioner hands over a demand draft of
50,000.
50,000 in the name of the Registrar of High Court of Karnataka.
sir, she is not the registrar.
Last time ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು?
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಆಯ್ತು,
trial
ಕೊಡಿ,
court ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬರಲ್ಲ, wait. Deposit ಮಾಡಿ.
Deposit.
Learned counsel for the petitioner holds in his hand a demand draft of rupees 50,000 to be deposited before this court. The deposit shall be made by the evening of tomorrow. The respondent wife is at liberty to withdraw the said amount. The registry is directed to transmit the amount in favor of the wife after due verification. ಒಂದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ list this matter on 25th October. The respondent shall clear the entire dues by entire arrears of maintenance by the next date of hearing, failing which the interim order would stand automatically vacated.
My lord, ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಧ
ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಈಗ 50 ಒಂದಾಯ್ತು. ಇನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಇದೆ?
my lord, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
ಅದು ASI ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, is a ASI.
ಇಲ್ಲ
He is
ASI
having
head
two-
constable, my
two
lord,
children.
just promoted.
Of
My lord, I was
7,000
not
rupees
well
is-
also.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ASI not well, why?
ಅಲ್ಲ,
He is working, he is going every day work.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಅವರು.
ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು at least my lord 2 months time, my lord, to pay the.
ನಾರ್ಕೋಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ವಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Railway police, my lord, cantonment police
All
station.
right,
My lord, 2 months time may be granted, my
The
lord.
3 petition already pending, you know. All the 3
No,
petition
2
has
months,
stayed.
sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ, next
Next date.
November.
List on, no, November, sir. List on 30th October.
November ವರೆಗೆ time.
No, sir. Yes.
Second week of November, my lord, I'll clear the
30th
entire amount.
October. If
I'll
you
clear
want to
entire amount.
pay, or interim order will be
But I'll
automatically.
clear, my lord, entire amount, my lord. I'm paying to my wife and children, my lord. November 2nd ವರೆಗೆ.
ಇರ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. If you had that concern.
Second week of November.
No, sir. Yes, next. ಅವತ್ ಕೇಳಿ 30th ಬಂದಾಗ. ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. Yes. Next. Puneet C.
18.3 my lords, for the petitioner.
Interim order ಇದೆಯಾ?
Interim order ಇದೆ.
After AVIO.
Dealings,
Next.
my lords.
Next. Interim order ಇರ್ಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ? ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡಾ?
Husband and mother-in-law.
ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಇದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ charge sheet has
Charge
been
sheet is
filed.
also filed.
ಇದು ಬರೀ ಕ್ರೈಮಾ? ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Charge sheet ಇದೆ, I'll place the charge sheet.
ಮಾಡಿ. Interim order ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗು? Yes, charge sheet challenge disposed. Yes.
Right.
Next.
Please, fresh file
The
ಮಾಡಿ.
interim order in this matter.
AVIO. Heard the learned senior counsel. Appearing, Sandesh Chowta appearing for the petition. ಆಮೇಲೆ
Order to be extended and any date.
AVIO. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. Yes. AV is after vacation. IO. Yes, next.
I appear for the respondent.
AVIO.
Allah, my lords, there are arrears of maintenance. Your lordships had,
one ನಿಮಿಷ. Yes, sir.
had directed 3 lakhs to be deposited before this court. It is there before this court. I'm not able to enjoy it. Arrears of maintenance is 9 lakhs.
one ನಿಮಿಷ.
Educational expenses is another 5 lakhs. Altogether
ಈಗ
14
ಎಷ್ಟು
lakhs.
ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್?
3 lakhs is deposited before this court. I am not.
Right now. Yes. The counsel for the
earlier, my lord.
respond, the petitioner has in terms of the order passed by this court has deposited 3 lakhs before this court. The wife is permitted to withdraw the same. The registry is directed to transmit the said amount and deposit to the wife, account of the wife of the petitioner after due verification. Next installment, the arrears.
Arrears
But
14
the
lakhs.
matter needs to be heard, my lord,
Ah,
because the amount which is being paid earlier is not taken into account by the court
1
below.
minute, sir. Arrears
14 lakhs, my lords. And my
Okay.
lords, your lordship
The-
should not state the order. He is not yet paying the maintenance. Only
Matter clear
FLW is
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
state.
ನನಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ದುಡ್ಡು, ಅಷ್ಟು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
Refund ಕೇಳಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರಿಂದ ರೀಫಂಡ್ ಬರೋಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. if your lordship imagine ರೀಫಂಡ್ ಬರೋಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ.
Refund ಕೇಳಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್
ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
totally as of now I have
5,000
paid
per
more
month.
than 1 crore.
1 crore?
1 crore.
35,000 per month is ordered, my lords.
Not 25,000 before the filing of the petition before the court below. 25,000 rupees every month I was to pay. I was giving it before
no.
the court order was passed.
ಎಷ್ಟು
Otherwise, I would have not contested in this.
award of maintenance ಎಷ್ಟು?
35,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
What
And
are you?
she is not a housewife. She is
I am a
employed in
housewife.
Citibank in a executive position.
Lord,
And that
he
is
has been
every
saying
time she
that,
says
Lord,
that
but nothing
I
is
am
on
a
record.
housewife anta. That is there on the affidavit. I'll show it before lordship tomorrow if you will permit me.
ಈಗ ಬೇಡ, ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ, 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದು ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ದಿ interim order is extended till the next date of hearing, subject to the condition that the petitioner husband would deposit another 2 lakhs before this court by the next date of hearing. List the matter on 30th October.
By the next date of hearing, my lords, if it doesn't.
By the next date of hearing.
Only 3 lakhs and that also has not come to me.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ,
My lords,
ಕೊಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ.
child is there. I have to look after the child.
ನೀವು ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ?
Educational expenses is not being paid.
Complete educational expenditure is borne by me.
No.
Child ಗೆ. And moreover, I have not permitted to see the child at all for the last 10 years. ಅವ್ರು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇವತ್ತವರೆಗೂ ಮಗು ಮುಖ ನೋಡಕ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. Only one.
ನನ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
No, because
first TMFC ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
now, my lords, I am. If at all, my lords, it has to be seen. It is not.
No other matter can be taken up.
20, my lords, an order under 23 is under challenge. As per your lordship's order, it is not maintainable. Appeal lies before the court of sessions. In a non-maintainable petition, my lords, that seek
TV Act
ಹೌದು.
ಅಪೀಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ.
If it is, my lords, dismissed, I'll seek execution.
File an
FLW is state.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಪೀಲ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ my lord. If
Appeal
matter
ಹಾಕಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ lord, your lordships can be disposed.
No.
Can
I
dispose
have already held under section 29. You have to go. It is not maintainable here. You go there. Any protective order will till you approach that court, I will grant.
Lord, your lordship may say.
All right. ಈಗ
Your lordship may say so.
ಬಂತಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಲಾಭ. Yes.
Your lordship may say so.
The petitioner is before this court seeking the following prayer. This court in writ petition, madam. BKP ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದು writ petition. This court in writ petition so and so has held that against an order passed by the court on an application under the Domestic Violence Act, writ petition criminal petition under section 482 would not be maintainable. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ madam, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ. Criminal petition under 482 would not be maintainable and the petitioner has to prefer, the aggrieved person has to prefer an appeal under section 29 of the act in so and so. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಈ judgment. In that light, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he would approach the concerned court by filing an appeal under section 29. Under section 29, he would further contend that he further submit that the protective orders that are granted today be continued till he knocks at the doors of the appellate court. Therefore, if the petitioner is permitted to knock at the doors of the appropriate court in the light of the said judgment within 4 weeks from today, in the event he would not approach the concerned court, the interim protection would automatically vanish.
Subject to deposit.
So ಅದು ಬೇಡ, 3 lakhs ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್, ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಅದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ after AVI book next.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಮೇ ಅಲ್ಲ by yours. So bill is ready. Last 2 days back, my matter was posted. The response submitted that my lord, one you have given the bill. I pay the amount and the bill is ready, my lord. Have it day after tomorrow. ಹೌದು,
ಕೊಡಿ ಬಿಲ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದೇ
AVI next.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಡೇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ my lord. Difficulty, my lord, the connected matter.
ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್, 14ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. ಎಸ್,
connected matter.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
120.
AVI.
24. This is a matter where the district court has ordered to release the exotic animals seized and handed over to Bannerghatta Zoo.
Zoo
Yes, my lords. These are exotic animals which are prohibited for importing.
How can it be ordered to be given back?
That's what, my lords. That's, we have sought for stay of the order. Page number 20. 19 is the order, my lords.
Emergent notice to the respondent, returnable by the 25th of October. Till such time, the order impugned